Can it be on 10th of December? All right.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention one WPC for listing on 2nd of December.
Why second?
The matter is very urgent in nature, and on last occasion on 13th 9/2024 the matter has arisen. Until date the matter has not been listed. I have
Okay.
also submitted.
Ninth.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item 45 of today's list. Lordship, here we had to file an affidavit. Lordship, we are going to file the affidavit during the course of the day. Lordship, I inform the petitioner.
It may come on, my lord, 10th of December. my lord.
Heard Mr. B. Procrastal and the counsel for the petition. Mr. H. Alian and the standing counsel finance department submits that that
Affidavit, Lordship, will be filing during the course of the day, Lordship. Yeah.
he'll be filing affidavit within the course of stop. Accordingly, list this matter on 11th.
Lordship, I like to mention item WBC Urdu Lordship.
Hmm?
Listing for Urdu Lordship.
Hmm.
Monday Lordship. For Urdu Lordship.
Tuesday, 3rd.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, I pray for listing of a matter next week. Lordship, any date convenient next week. It's a pensionary benefit matter.
6th.
May I please your lordship? I beg to mention listing of a contempt matter. It may be listed next week, lordship.
Okay. 11th.
Much obliged.
May I please, Lordship, I get to mention 3 cases. Motion matter, Lordship, on Wednesday, and 1 admission matter any date, Lordship.
Wednesday is a fresh motion matter.
Lordship,
Fresh.
Lordship.
We'll have it on Friday, 6th. This motion matters. And the admission matter, we'll have it on 13th.
All right.
May I please your lordship? I pray for a listing of a case, your lordship. Kindly it may be taken up on 3rd of December,
9th.
9th.
May I please your lordship? Yesterday filed a contempt case, lordship. Yesterday filed a contempt case. It may be taken
Let
second.
it come in his usual course.
Urgently.
Huh?
Urgent.
Urgent matter is there.
If possible.
6th, Friday.
Wait, please. Therefore, listing for matter in admission column. It was listed about a month back, but it could not be due to paucity of time. The matter could not be
9th.
taken.
9th.
Matter is Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 33, Lordship.
Item?
33.
Yes.
A senior counsel is on bereavement, so Lordship. Matter may be kindly adjourned for 2 weeks.
Who's your senior counsel?
AK Progressed.
On request made on behalf of AK Procrastal and counsel for the petitioner. List up to 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lords.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, in regard to item number 10 of the daily list. Item number 10.
Ah.
Lordship, I have instruction from my client to withdraw this case.
You want to withdraw this matter? Okay. Why?
Lordship, I don't know, my client doesn't want to press this matter anymore.
Okay. MSI does. Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that he has instructions to withdraw this petition. Fukan is appearing. Mr. PG Fukan, learned standing counsel, appears for the Guwahati University. Writ petition is accordingly dismissed on withdrawal. In.
May I please your lordship? May I pray for listing lordship to read petition lordship regarding regularization of the service of the petitioner lordship. Next week,
Not next week. 13th.
13th. Much obliged.
Item 1 of daily list. Motion.
Okay, Lordship. Lordship, matter may be observed for timing, Lordship. My senior is on the way.
Who's your senior?
B senior, Lordship.
You can't move a contempt petition. Oh, it's delayed.
My senior is coming.
Okay.
2.
Let's have a look at page number 16 of this
order of this High Court, which is not complied by the police department.
One month. Okay, heard, Mr.
A High.
A.
High.
Hi, learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD within 1 week from today. Stop. List after 6 weeks.
Obligation.
Chishti, I don't know this dispose of representation in one month, dispose of representation. This they are not doing. I don't know why. Of course, but then this can be easily done. We can avoid this contempt proceedings. Anyway,
We used to instruct them regularly that to dispose of all these cases. Because large number of cases are there. That's also another.
3,
Lordship, the relevant portion of the order is at page 73. This was done after Lordship NOC was obtained from Finance Department, Assam Enterprise Department, and the parent department. Lordship may kindly see paragraph today when the matter is called up. Today when the matter is called up, Mr. I. Bothakur, Large Standing Counsel, has placed before the court the instruction received from the Managing Director of the Assam State Textbook Production and Publication Corporation Limited that the matter is under active consideration and the views of the Senior Finance and Accounts Officer of the School Education Department are presently awaited. In these instructions, Mr. I. Bothakur, Large Standing Counsel, ASTBP, submit that once the views are received, the department will pass appropriate orders to proceed with the pension trust, which is set up for the benefits of the employee. The Land Council for the petitioner submits that the petition can be closed with a direction to the department to expeditiously process the claims. Taking into consideration the submissions made by the respective counsel, this court is of the view that the petition can be closed with a direction to the respondents to expeditiously take a decision in the matter in terms of the earlier decision arrived at to set up a pension.
heard, Mr.
SK
SK Das, learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 and 2 by registered post AD within 1 week.
Obligation.
Least after 6 weeks.
4,
Yes. Yes.
Your Lordship, the effective portion, if you can come on page 18, para 7, Your Lordship.
Okay, heard, Mr.
MM Kashyap, Your Lord.
MM Kashyap, learned counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD within 1 week. List of
Your Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship.
5,
Order starts from page 13, Your Lordship, and the relevant page 27. It is an order directing the respondent authority to provincialize the service of the petitioner directly. It is the 5th round of litigation, I guess. There was earlier also a contempt, 2 writ petitions, 2 contempt. It starts from page 27. And page 29, paragraph 7, 120 days limitation was given for disposing of the matter.
Okay, heard, Mr. S. Roy.
MH
MH Raskar, learned counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respondent 1 and 2 by registered post AD within 1 week. List after 6 weeks.
6,
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, this contempt petition has been preferred against Director of Elementary Education Officer, Your Lordship. Due to disobeying a order passed in Education Tribunal Nagaon, member of the Education Tribunal Nagaon, Your Lordship. The order is page number 10, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the member of Education Tribunal, Your Lordship, directed the Director of Education, Elementary Education Officer, Your Lordship, to provincialize the post of the contempt petitioner, Your Lordship, within 1 month, Your Lordship. It was the order of 30/11/2023, Your Lordship.
30/11.
30/11/2023, Your
So,
Lordship.
on time.
Within 1 month, there's a direction to provincialize the post of the petitioner, Your Lordship. There's no such order, Your Lordship.
Okay. But MS,
Ji Bora, Lordship.
then the constitutional petitioner issue notice. Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by the proceeding within 1 week.
Lordship.
List up to 6 weeks.
Lordship.
7,
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. Lordship, the matter pertains to filling up of vacancies in for the post of assistant teacher in for primary and low primary school, Lordship. Lordship, the respondent authorities published a notice whereby it was stated that
Where is the order? Order of the report.
Lordship in page 52.
Page?
52.
No, is this a contempt proceeding?
Lordship 24. Page 24.
Yes, what happened after this?
Lordship, the said order was communicated to the respondent authorities, but however, on 21st August 24, they again published a notice whereby wherein they stated that candidates who obtain the degree from National Institute of Open Schooling are not considered for recruitment, which is in clear violation of the order dated 5. Five 424.
Did you submit your application?
Yes, Lordship.
When?
Lordship, before the last date of the last date of
After that, what happened?
Lordship, the petitioners were called for interview,
Mm.
and then on 20 August, they published a notice that the names of the selected candidates will be published. The name of the selected candidates will be published in a notice, which will be published on
Where's the
20.
notice? Where's the notice?
Lordship, page number 49.
Okay. Then after this, what happened?
However, Lordship, the petitioners, they did not find their name in the list of the selected candidates. The petitioners have filled their application, and they have also received the ID, the registration ID.
Yes, you met your application. They accepted your application. You called for interview. Correct.
Yes, Lordship.
So you participated in the selection process. Correct.
Lordship.
Now where's the contempt?
Lordship, in the order dated in the order dated 5/4/24,
Huh.
the honorable court held that the person who have filled their application, submitted their application.
Read that para, that operating portion. Page 34.
Lordship, page number 34.
Huh.
Uh, Considering that this had passed an interim order and have been considered the present petitioner are similarly situated with the petitioners in the above noted writ petition, and as a judicial discipline, it is provided that in the event the petitioners have submitted their respective applications before the last date prescribed for such submission of application in terms of the advertisement dated 17/1/24 and have successfully uploaded their respective applications online and have also received their respective registration ID. The cases of such petitioners shall be considered.
By the respondent authority
Yes, Lordship.
on merits. So you were called for interview and you were considered.
Lordship, the interview was not a part of the recruitment process, Lordship. It was just, it was not actually an interview. It was like they submitted they submitted the communication. They communicated the order passed by the honorable court, and they were called for some clarification of queries, Lordship.
Okay.
Not a part of the recruitment process, Lordship.
Where is that advertisement?
Lordship, page number 49, in the respondent authorities published a notice wherein they stated that the candidates who have applied for the post of assistant professor and they stated that the final list of the selected candidates will be published in the official website on 21st August. However, none of the petitioner found their name in the list of the selected candidates.
Correct. What was the order passed by this court?
That their candidature.
Last 3 lines of the page 34.
Lordships, but in the notification dated 21st August 24,
Yes.
it stated that candidates who obtain the degree from National Institute of Open Schooling are not considered. They are not at all considered, Lordship. And your Lordship have passed an order in a contempt petition with wherein the petitioners were similarly situated.
Where? Which order?
Lordship,
Are they similarly situated?
yes, Lordship.
Okay, heard MS.
MDAS. MDAS, Lordship.
Learned Counsel for the issue notice. Additional detect steps for service of notice on the respondents 1 to entry by registered person within 1 week. List number 6 weeks.
8,
Grateful, Lordship.
May I please? Matter relates to non-payment of pensionary benefits and family pension, Lordship. And last occasion, Lordship.
When I discuss, I have not received the instruction. My lord may issue notice because my lord petitioner is not claiming the pension, my lord. Her brother claiming the pension, my lord. And he is major, my lord. For petitioner is about 36 years old, my lord.
But under the pension code, she is entitled till married.
Yes, he is entitled, my lord, but her brother is not entitled, my
But
lord.
pensionary benefit that can be released in favor of his even brother also.
That's why my lord notice
Benefits
may go,
can-
my lord, at this stage.
No, this is a doctor, isn't it?
My
Lordship.
lord,
This is a
daughter
doctor.
authorized her brother to take pension, my lord.
A doctor,
My lord, she authorized her brother to take pension, my
But
lord.
pensionary benefit can be released in favor of her brother also, Lordship.
okay,
Only a monthly pension.
okay, that will consider.
Look.
Mr. L.R. Majumdar, then contact the petition. Issue notice.
And pension department.
MSS Tutor, Understanding Council Elementary Education. Appears on behalf of all the
My
respondents.
pension is not a party here.
Pension is not a.
Lordship, I'll file appropriate application.
Okay. The notice of respondents are complete. However, it's not complete. Respondents are allowed to file affidavits. List after 4 weeks.
Let's
Lordship, any date may be fixed, Lordship, otherwise pension matter.
Okay, 8
8th of January
January.
of life.
9,
This is with regard to payment of the various salaries. The learned counsel was asked to instructions. Elementary Education Department.
Yeah, PK Bora.
Mr. Bora was there on the last occasion.
Well, here we have not received any instruction. We need some time. We had forwarded.
Error salary of rupees 4 lakhs.
That too, everything was approved, pre-approved, thereafter, there.
On next Wednesday.
Okay, come with some instructions then.
I'll try, man.
Don't try it, get it. Heard Mr. M. Datta, Learned Counsel for the petition. On request made by Mr. P.K. Bora, Learned Counsel. Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department. List on Wednesday.
My lord.
Okay, I'll give you up some more time, 6th,
That is
to enable him to
Obliged,
receive
ma'am.
instructions.
Obliged, man.
11,
11 also, instructions were sought for, whether the matter was placed before, was placed before the SLC, This is again with regard to, there was an earlier direction. Please the matter is the SLC,
See, there's that office memorandum,
September.
which is under challenge
Is under challenge.
in a number of petitions. There, this court has found some discrepancy also.
My lord.
Because what date was it? 30 of
September, my lord.
September.
September, my lord.
Beyond that, they have the family compassionate family
yes.
family
Compassionate family pension.
compassionate
Yeah,
family.
yes.
But prior to that,
Prior to that, my lord.
there's nothing.
Nothing. Well, these cases have been kept pending by them, my lord. They ought to have taken action on this.
Yes. Have you got instructions whether it has been placed before the SLC?
No, my lord, because my lord, as per that notification, my lord, SLC had to be sick. And therefore, my lord, may bring, my lord, may issue notice, my lord. In the meantime, we will also commit an affidavit. Otherwise, my lord, today, we are handicapped.
It's a
My lord,
compassionate appointment.
my lord. There are two issues pending.
Is the SLC sitting nowadays
No, my lord.
because of the poem?
No, my lord.
Then those matters should be considered at the earliest.
Perhaps, my lord, they can do it on one-time basis, my lord. They let them consider all the cases and dispose them of. After that, they don't do anything. But, my lord, these cases have been pending for a long time.
Yes.
And it's their fault, my lord. It's not, my lord, that these petitioners have, my lord.
It's a government decision, otherwise, my lord, we can place before the SLC on the SLC seat on it is the government decision.
This court can easily pass a direction that should be placed before the immediate sitting of the SLC. Now, we don't know when is the immediate sitting.
Yes, my lord. That's a difficulty, my lord.
That's the difficulty. Then the petitioner will be having the court's order in his pocket. Nothing will be happening.
Absolutely.
Well, when there is a specific direction, actually, there's just case, my lord, the 3 months SLC has to sit, my lord.
Yes.
Okay, 3 months may not be, my lord, feasible. But if it doesn't sit for years together, my lord, it's a difficult situation, my lord.
Otherwise, my lord, that new judgment of the Supreme Court, Devabrata Tiwari will also happen.
No, that is a different thing.
Like when Devabrata Tiwari also recognizes those delay on part of the department, my lord. It's not that. There is another judgment which Devabrata Tiwari has relied upon, where, my lord, the Supreme Court has said, my lord, that there's at least that should have been considered. Malay Nandi or something like that, my lord, that Devabrata judgment there, my lord.
Devabrata is not involved.
So, what do you want?
My lord, therefore, my lord, may issue notice, my lord. Because, my lord,
Okay, heard Mr. M. Datta and concept for petition issue notice. Elementary. Mr. P. K. Boral, the standing council elementary education appears for the respondents. 1, 3 and 5. And Mr. P. Cycle and
I'm
government
2 and 4, my lord.
appears for respondent 2 and 4. Notice on respondents the company, however, extra copies. Respondents allowed to file affidavit. List
Obliged.
shows.
12,
May I please, my lord? My lord, in this matter on the last occasion, 25/11/24, the Honorable Court has directed to file an affidavit to the Standing Council. They have already filed it, my lord. My lord, I'm praying that some time may be granted.
My lord, yesterday we have filed it.
Yes.
You filed it?
No.
Okay, Mr. P. K. Boral, the standing council school education department submits. That here, that the, which respondent filed the affidavit?
Respondent number 1.
Ekhani, no? Right.
Respondent number 1, my lord.
That the respondent number 1 has filed affidavit on 28/11/2024. Stop. Registered to verify and place a stamp on record.
My lord.
Stop. If found in order, Mr.
K. Vishwakarma, my lord.
K. Vishwakarma, the counsel for the petitioner, prays for.
My lord, can this matter be listed on 4th of December? In the meanwhile, we'll file the reply. Wednesday, my lord.
So I'll give you a week's time. Prays for a week's time.
My lord, since he's going to retire, my lord, on
When?
31st December. That's why I'm praying for 4th of December, my lord.
Okay, prays for 3 days time
Yes, my lord.
to file reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 1. Stop. Praise allowed, list the matter on 4.
I oblige, my lord.
Obliged.
13,
13 may kindly take it up Monday, Lordship. At the instruction I have yet to receive, I'll receive by the day, Lordship. I have already informed him, Lordship.
Had P. Purgastal and the counsel for the petitioner on request made by SMD Chisti, the understanding council secondary education department. List the matter on Monday is what date?
second,
Second.
Yes, second or
first,
Monday, my lord, it's 1.
1st of December. Sorry. A second. Yes, sir. In the right side, it is the 25 calendar. Yes, second. Second.
এখন 25 calendar.
Oh. Oblige. 14.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, this is that matter where we are challenging the gradation list of UDAs of the
Yeah.
state cadre of the SCRT, that is the SCRT headquarters, wherein they have,
Where is Gogoi?
yes, Mr. Gogo was supposed to be here. And he said, SCRT standing council.
Lordship, he's on legs. Can he be taken after some time, if possible? Otherwise, if notice is going, let him notice go.
What
Interim
is the interim days a consideration of interim?
Then let him come after some time, Lordship. He's on legs.
15.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, the claim raised in this writ petition is, my lord, regular as well as area salary of the petitioner. The case of the petitioner in brief is that, my lord, the petitioner was appointed, my lord, on 4/12/1999, my lord.
Oh,
Or 12/99, my lord. Appointment order is at Annexure A, my lord. These are 99 appointments, my lord. And the petitioner was never terminated from his post, my lord. And he is discharging his duties, my lord, regularly.
yes.
In between, my lord, the petitioner's post was converted to non-plan post on 2001, my lord. Para number 3 of the writ petition, my lord. I have it stated in the para number 3 of the writ petition, my lord,
Okay.
and Annexure B.
Then so it was converted to a non-planned post.
Yes, my lord.
Then
The petitioner is discharging his duties, my lord, regularly, but he is not receiving any salary, my lord. Similarly situated persons are getting salaries, my lord. He was never terminated from his post, my lord. At this stage, my lord, I am praying for notice only, my lord.
yes, Chowdhury.
Lordship may issue notice, but maintainability may be kept open because since 1999, Lordship is sitting idle.
Are you serving till now?
Yes, my lord.
Since 99, only
I have a judgment
all
of
of a
this
sudden
honorable
he has
Heart Mister?
Yes, Upadhyay, my lord.
Yes, Ubadian and the council for the petition issue notice. Mr. B,
4, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Lordship.
elementary. MS and Fukan, standing council elementary. Division. Appears for 1 and 3. Finance,
Lordship, I'm appearing on behalf of Mr. Pinay for
Mr. P. Nayak, London Standing Council Finance, appears for the response number 2,
Rest of the respondents, Lordship, I may pay.
and Mr. P. Chowdhury, London Standing Council, BTC,
Yes, ma'am.
appears for the respondents 4 to 7. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit.
Lordship,
Yes,
the
on
maintainability
performance.
may be kept.
The issue of maintainability raised by the London Standing Council, BTC, is kept open.
Deeply obliged, my lord.
Okay.
16.
Made, Your Lordship. My lord, the petitioner of his lordship is an assistant teacher of MA school, my lord. Lordship, may kindly see my qualification, my lord, my appointment letter, page number 32.
Page
32. 32,
Yes.
my lord. Lord, you are hereby temporarily appointed in the post of assistant teacher. This is important, my lord. I am appointed as assistant teacher, my lord. Lordship, then, my lord, page number 35 is my approval, my lord. 35. It is hereby approved that Abu Talha, this is the petitioner, who is appointed as senior assistant teacher, my lord. My lord, my post was provincialized, my lord. Page number 45 may be seen, my lord. 45. From the top, my lord, fourth line, following eligible employees are hereby provincialized and
1 minute.
allotted category.
1 minute. Okay.
Category of post. This is important, my lord. Provincialized and allotted category of post. So, my lord, lordship may kindly come to page number 56. This is my service book, my lord.
No, where's your name here in this
Yes.
list?
Oh, my lord, sorry. My name is, my lord, at page number 47, my lord.
Which one?
Page number 47 in the top, my lord. Actually, I have obtained the copy, my lord. Top, my lord. Abu Talha Muhammad Samsul Zuha, my lord.
You have not given a type copy of this?
No, my lord. Type copy, but it is not clearly seen. But Abu Talha
You
is there.
can't see it clearly. How can I see it clearly?
Yes, my lord.
You're the council. Your council can't see it clearly. How can the court
Yes,
see it?
I should have, my lord. Sorry, my lord. I have stated that my name is there, my lord, in the paragraph, my lord. Lordship may,
How do you know your name is here?
my lord, Abu Talha is there, my lord. I next date, my lord, I can provide, my lord, the photocopy. Another, my lord, another document may be seen, my lord. For a moment, my lord.
Okay.
Another, my lord, another document, my lord. Page number 56 is the service book. My name is there, my lord. 56 service book was provided to me, my lord. Now, my lord, the dispute is with the private respondent whose appointment is at page number 62. Private respondent's appointment, page number 62.
Yes.
Page number 62, my lord, it is hereby approved Mr. Suruz Ali, private respondent, as additional assistant teacher of Besimari Girls ME Madrasa against section B, class 6. My lord, additional assistant teacher for class 6, different post, my lord. That is why categorically, my lord, it is seen, both the posts are different, my lord. This is the appointment letter of the private respondent. So, my lord, the private respondent submitted an application complaint against the petitioner to obtain the post of the petitioner. But the same application was withdrawn by the private respondent. My lord, page number 64, it is clearly seen. 64. This is submitted by the private respondent. Most respectfully beg to inform you that I, Suruz Ali, additional assistant teacher for section B, class 4, filed a complaint on 25/2/2011 in your office. Since my post is sanctioned as sectional teacher of section B, class 4, but it is not accurate to file this complaint to obtain the post of assistant teacher. I therefore humbly pray before you kindly allow me to withdraw the said complaint. So complaint was withdrawn. My lord, next, my lordship may kindly see page number 73, relevant portion, my lord. Relevant portion, my lord. This is the pro forma of the list of teacher of the particular school, serial number 9, Besimari Girls ME School. My name is clearly seen. Serial number 52, Abu Talha Muhammad Samsul Zuha.
Okay.
My name is there, my lord, but the private respondent's name is not there, my lord, because he's a sectional teacher. My lord, another document may be seen, page number 75. This is issued by the authority, my lord, page number 75, my lord. In the employee data sheet, my lord, my name is there in the middle portion. Full name, Abu Talha Muhammad Samsul Zuha. My lord, in this case, what happened, my lord? I was also given the salary, monthly salary. I have annexed the salary documents also, page number 94 to 96, my salary documents. But the private respondent filed a case against me, my lord, before this honorable court. And this honorable court, my lord, decided that they both, since both the posts are different, entire matter was directed to be decided by the authorities, my lord.
Where is that order?
Page number 105.
Yes.
10. Page number 105. It is observed, my lord, in a page number 109 is the relevant portion, my lord. Matter. It is also made clear the petitioner to approach the appropriate forum against the order dated so and so, passed in WBC number 1951, if so agreed, my lord. This case was disposed of, my lord. Finally, my lord, a writ petition filed by us, my lord, that is the order is at page number 126 and disposal part, my lord, page number 133 and 34. 133 and 134. Page number 133, last two lines, my lord, down below, paragraph 9. For the reasons stated herein above, both the writ petitions are held to be devoid of any merit and are accordingly dismissed. Now, notwithstanding the dismissal of the writ petition, it is made clear that the petitioner would be entitled to submit a representation before the authorities with a prayer for provincialization of the services. If such an application is made by the petitioner, the same shall be considered on its own merit in accordance with law.
Who filed this writ petition?
I filed the writ petition, my lord.
Okay.
I filed the writ petition, but this my lord, department, my lord, did not take any action, my lord, and nothing was done. That is why I filed a writ appeal, my lord. Writ appeals order may be kindly be seen. Same order, my lord. Department was directed to consider the case of the both the parties, my lord. My lord, the writ appeals order, my lord, page number 143. 142, man. The order of the honorable learned signatures was upheld, my lord. The department was directed to consider the case of the petitioner as well as the private respondent. By submitting this orders, my lord, of this honorable court, I filed a representation, my lord. Nothing was done, my lord. That is why I filed a contempt petition, my lord, before this honorable court, division bench, my lord. My lord, the division bench, my lord, was pleased to close the contempt petition because already a decision was taken earlier. But due to coronavirus, my lord, it was not communicated to the petitioner. And that order I have challenged, my lord. Lordship, may kindly see that impugn order, my lord. Page number 48, my lord. 148. Down below, my lord. Last
You've got a typed copy of this?
My lord. Page number 48, my lord. Last
147.
147 is the starting, my lord. And
Do you have you given a typed copy?
I can give, my lord. I will give.
You file a typed copy. All your annexures are not eligible.
My lord, only
Learned counsel for the petitioner shall provide typed copies of all the
my lord,
of all the annexures that are not eligible. Please, after 1 week.
maybe, my lord, eligible annexes only, my lord.
That's why I'm saying.
That is
17.
my lord.
How have you filed this?
My lord, I will
I
file
don't know how
tomorrow.
the
my lord.
section has
Maybe taken on Friday, my lord. If lordship.
will come out after 1 week.
Friday, my lord.
Next time when you file your writ petition,
My lord, I will
you
file.
file eligible copies. On that ground itself, I'll dismiss it.
My lord, here we have challenged the office memorandum dated 18/9/2024, my lord.
Which office? That commissioner?
Yes, my lord.
Saikya.
So it may come along with the leading case, my lord, WPC 5067.
MS SP Chowdhury, Learned Counsel for the Petition. Issue notice. Mr. P. Saikya, Learned Governor Advocate, appears for the respondents. 1,
1, 3.
3. 4,
4, and 5, and 8.
huh? And elementary, as tutorial and standing council elementary education appears to the respondents to 6 and 7. Notice and respondents are complete, however, extra boundaries. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. List the matter after 4 weeks along with
Along with
WBC number
WPC 5067 of 2024.
5067 of 2024.
24. Obliged.
18.
Same as compassionate, my lord. That's
OM.
yes, madam. OM.
Your shelf will have no more space for files. Do something fast. Third, Mr. D. Sinha.
Yes, madam.
Learn the concept of petition. Issue notice. Mr. P. Cycle. Elementary. As tutorial understanding council, elementary education appears for 1 and 4.
1 and 4, my lord.
And Mr. P. Cycle and government appears for respondents to entry. Same order after 4 weeks.
1897. Next one is the same, my lord. It also item number 1.
Don't say along with that.
Item number 1.
19 also.
Yes, my lord. Same. 19 also same.
Your respondents.
Respondent also same, my lord. Same.
Yeah. Same order.
My lord, item number 1, I was not present, my lord. So time being, it was passed over. Item number 1.
If called up, you wait for your turn.
Yes, my lord.
20.
May it please, sir. Services of the petitioner was provincialized in pre-senior madrasa, in pre-senior madrasa,
Okay.
equal to upper primary school. Later on, the said school was converted to ME school, and course curriculum of SCRT was provided. They are serving equally like upper primary schools, and a notification was passed by the finance department pilot for a grade pay of the ME school. My yellowship will find page 31. Page 31. And here, my lord, yellowships
Yes.
below, my lord. This is the below middle portion. Assam Lawyer School Service within brigade teaching and inspection ME MB senior basic schools, my lord. Left side, my lord, column first. Trained graduate teacher. Right hand side, my lord. Grade pay 8,700, my lord. This is for ME school, my lord.
Grade, which one?
My lord, last line, my lord.
Trained graduate teacher.
Yes, my lord. A trained graduate teacher, right hand side, grade pay, column number 5, 8,700. Column number 6, irrespective of arts, science, commerce, and graduate. Next year, next page will 32. Untrained graduate teacher, including trained undergraduate teachers and untrained undergraduate teacher, right hand side, 6,800. Next, untrained teacher, 6,200. This is for the ME school. This is for the ME school. The petitioner school already converted to the ME school, and course already been provided as per the upper primary school. And on the basis of the notification, the grade pay of the petitioner was enhanced. Enhanced. That is, your lordship will find in page 48. My 48.
You filed a writ petition earlier.
No, my lord. Another petition, another similar situated schools was filed, my lord. We have not filed, my lord.
Okay.
Your lordship will find the page 48, my lord. Page 48. In the meantime, my petitioner have completed the BA as well as a DLA 2 years training course, my lord. In the meantime, my lord. Therefore, the inspector of schools enhanced the grade pay of the petitioner. Enhance the yes.
What's your name?
My lord, all the petition, my lord. Number one,
How many petitioners are
here
here?
is 6 here, my lord.
Okay.
All the petitioners is here, my lord.
Oh.
So on the basis of the enhanced grade pay, my lord, we have received the salary. Now, my lord, by improved letter, my lord, issued by the Treasury Officer Dhubri, they say that our salary, there is excess salary. There is excess
that?
salary.
Where
Yes,
is
my
that?
lord, your lordship, 75. 57, my lord, sorry, my lord. 57, my lord. Now they say we are not entitled the enhanced grade pay. Some excess role is made to us, so they have directed to repay and refund the excess salary. Some petitioner already paid and some petitioner yet to be paid. My humble submission before your lordships. Notice may go, or in the meantime, my lord, the further recovery shall not be made, my lord. Well, as per the Supreme Court's order, my lord, they could not recover my lord, excess salary.
First of all, director secondary is a necessary party here. They have not met.
Who?
Director secondary.
Right? Now school is under the elementary education. My lord. No.
Madrasa to is secondary.
No, my lord. This is wrong, my lord. This is wrong, my lord. Kindly see my notification.
Director secondary is a necessary.
No, my lord. Notification, my lord. Kindly see 52, my lord. 52. Let 52. Accordingly, all the pre-senior madrasa have been converted to ME school, and considering the facts that the director of elementary education is administrative controlling authority of the all ME schools, and director of secondary education is administrative and the controlling high school, higher secondary school, the governor of Assam is pleased to allow shifting the administrative control of such converted ME school to the director of elementary education. Now he is saying that what is this?
So now was submitted
No, my
to
lord.
the director secondary. So secondary is the necessary party here.
Where's the representation?
When the school was converted to the ME school, at that time the previous senior madrasa was controlled the secondary school. Now not under secondary school, under the elementary, my lord. Their letter, my lord, their notification, my lord. My humble submission before his lordship.
On behalf of inspector of school, I cannot accept notice.
Why?
Because the department is different. Director secondary.
My lord, now our school has been merged with the higher secondary school.
So, high secondary belongs to the secondary department.
No, my lord, department may be separate. My lord, control is the elementary, my lord. If your lordship.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Yes, my lord.
Oh, so make an inspector of school or getting a man. No, director secondary party. What time is that? Online kita properly party na bona na bhar yaar hum itna party करते हैं
Yeah, this notification is clear. It says all the converted ME schools will come under administrative control of director of elementary education.
But I cannot appear on behalf of inspector of schools.
Why?
The inspector of schools falls under the secondary department. DEO is the elementary department.
Inspector of schools.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly see the page 47 minute. Page 47 minute. Our school already been merged with the Arkata High School. It may be higher secondary school. Typical mistake. Page 47 minute. Page 47. School of the petitioner was amalgamated with the Arkata school. That's why the IS is the authority of the higher secondary school, but our school is not under the secondary education, secondary department mandate. If your lordship allow, I make the party the secretary, director of
You
school.
already merged with the high school, is
Yes,
it?
yes, my lord.
Then
But control of that converted ME school is, my lord, your lordship is permit, man, I make the party. But in the meantime, further recovery shall not be made, my lord. Yes, ma'am.
okay.
So we have to verify, madam. So at this stage, notice should go, and I cannot appear on behalf of Inspector of Schools.
Okay.
madam.
First, Mr.
R. Islam.
R. Islam, non counsel for the petitioner. Issue notice. MS and Fukan, non-standing counsel. Elementary
Yes, ma'am.
appears for the respondents, 1, 3, 1 and 3.
1.
1 and 3, madam.
Finance.
No,
P. Nayak, Mr. P. Nayak, non-standing counsel. Finance Department appears for the respondents, 2 and 4. 2 and 5. Stop. The petitioner to take steps for service of notice on the respond number 4 by registered proceeding within 1. Stop. List of the 4 extra copies. Respondents all over file. List of the 4 weeks. In the entry, comma. It is directed.
Kindly some time may be allowed, my lord, because.
No. This, let us at least stay this order. There's something wrong here. I think the communication, staying the communication. will be
Yes, my lord.
sufficient. Where that,
My lord, page 57, my lord. Page 57.
the communication. Dated 37/2024. Issued by the Treasurer Officer Dupree. And addressed to the principal. What is it?
Erkata
Higher Secondary School.
in the district of Dubri.
With regard to the fund of excess drawal of salary from the petitioners shall remain suspended till the next.
Mass obliged, my lord.
21.
May it be your lordship. Your lordship, the petitioners were appointed as assistant teacher lordship in upper primary school during the year 1993-94, and they were receiving salary lordship. And they received salary with effect from June 1993 to 1995. From the date of appointment, the lordship may kindly have come to page 23, Annex of 1 series. There are 3 petitioners. This is the appointment order of the petitioner number 1, 26/11/1993. So after appointment, they are receiving salary. So thereafter, lordship, their service was again regularized in the year 2022. That lordship will find at annex page 26, annexure 2. Regularization of subject is regularization of services of 54 teachers of Kamrup district. This is Kamrup rural. With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to say that the government of Assam had already regularized the 54 numbers of ME, MV, MEM school teachers in various schools of Kamrup district. I had this department's letter referred to above. Now they shall be adjusted in the existing 54 vacancies, and their current pay and allowances may be released from the month of May 2001. Now, lordship may kindly come to page 26A, lordship, next page. This is the adjustment order, lordship, regulation order. Serial number 9, petitioner number 3, serial number 20, petitioner number 1, and serial number 28 is the petitioner number 2. The origin copy, lordship will find at page 27. Serial number 9. From this order, lordship may kindly have the column number 5. They received salary up to June 1995. Now, after regularization, lordship, in 2022 to 2002, they are receiving current salary at the regular pay scale, and their services also included under the old pension scheme. Now, here the grievance of the petitioner is that since the period from the date of regulation, that period is not counted, although they receive salary, and because of their lordship, we are not getting the seniority benefit. Number one. Secondly, the district-wise seniority list also not prepared because of which we are not getting promotion. So at this is lordship may issue notice lordship and let them have instruction as to why they have not prepared the seniority list, Lord.
Issue notice. Elementary and learner standing council, elementary education. Appears on behalf of. You have put elementary and secondary, no?
I'm for elementary.
Elementary will be 120, secondary. And Mr. U. Sharma, learner standing council, secondary education. Appears on behalf of these respondents, 4 and 5.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Oh, P. Das, huh? Not U.
Yes, sir.
Sharma. Yes.
One of the school is let's say amalgamated now. That is why I implemented this.
Okay.
Because
Stop.
notice issue is.
Notice on respondents are complete. Extra copies of good petition. Respondents are allowed to file affidavit. 4 weeks.
So pendencies and bar also to determine the seniority.
Pendency of
District wise
this
seniority.
petition shall not be a bar on the part of the respondents to determine the seniority of the district-wise seniority of the petitions.
In respect of upper primary school.
In respect of upper primary.
Kamrup, they be district-wise prepared, so Kamrup rural that may be indicated.
Okay.
They belong to Kamrup rural.
Rural. Okay, Kamrup are.
Deployed.
Lordship, item number 14 was passed over for the time being. It seems SCRT Council, Mr. B. Chaudhary
You
is.
wait for your turn till the court master is there.
Lordship, we
What
passed
is
it.
the hurry?
No, only,
Don't try to.
I'm sorry.
Court masters.
Lordship, because of the councils of the ACRT, we have, we searched for Mr. Gogoi, found him, he said he's not appearing, Mr. Chaudhary,
Call up,
that is why.
let the court master call up cases. As per turn.
Lordship.
Don't do. You do what you want. Thank you.
But this is a matter pertaining to area salary. A similar matter is already pending disposal. So the petitioners here they are praying for an analogous hearing with that writ petition, Milord. That is WPC number 2227/2019, Milord.
2019 matter.
Yes, Milord. Basically, they left out, Milord. They were similarly situated. Milord, pursuant to same order, they.
What is the stage of that writ petition?
Milord, that is perhaps in the admission column. That is perhaps
No,
in
no,
the.
you have to be sure it may be in the hearing column. If it goes
Even
to
though,
that,
Milord,
if it goes into the hearing, then
No,
without affidavit in file, how will they do it?
No, they can file the affidavit, Milord. I'm not insisting that they will not file the affidavit, but let this matter be taken up along with that WBC 2227.
No, that's why 2227. At what stage is that writ petition?
Admission, Milord. It's admission stage.
Admission
Yes,
stage.
Milord. It's an admission stage.
Okay.
My lord, BTC is the main authority here.
Notice will be.
Third is Mr. H.K. Das, learner counsel for the petition. Issue notice. Mr. B.K. Bora, learner standing counsel.
1, 2, and 4, Milord.
Elementary education. Appears for respondents, 1, 2, and
4, Milord.
4. Finance.
I can appear.
Mr. P. Knight, learner standing counsel.
3 and 5. 2 and 5 respond.
Finance department. As well as BTC. Appears for the respondents, 3. There may be will there be a clash of interest?
Then I'll take notice on for BTC.
Okay, then the finance.
Yes, only
Mr. A. Chalia, then Mr. Council Finance appears for respondent. And Mr. P. Nayak, then standing council BTC appears for respondents, 5 and 6.
5. Logic 5.
How about this? Deputy Inspector? 6. Stop. Notice and respondents are complete. No extra copies. Respondents are to file affidavits. List after forwards along with WBC number.
2227
of
oblique 2019. There is one small correction in the synopsis, a numerical one, my lord. If
You are the standing counsel high court, isn't it?
I beg apology, my lord. I beg. Much obliged.
23. This matter also similar to item number 20, my lord. Only impugn order is at page 101 and 10.
Item number
20. The order, impugn order, page 101 and 104. Recovery notice.
How many petitioners?
15.
Bora?
My lord.
Notice.
Notice may go at this stage.
104.
101 and 104.
But my lord, annexure is not completed, my lord. Kindly say 104, my lord. Second page is not there, my lord. Continue.
Yes.
Page 2.
But up to 106, 107.
106.
To 107.
107.
Treasury officer, Golok Guns.
Page 2 is there.
Send.
My lord.
Maybe you don't have.
My lord, I have mine.
You have?
I'm sorry.
Third, Mr.
Answer.
And Shaman and the council. Issue notice. Mr. P.K. Bora, then standing counsel, elementary education appears for 1,
1, 3, 4, and 5, my lord. 5 and 6.
5 and 6. And
2 and 7 finance.
finance. Nayak. Mr. P. Nayak, then standing counsel, finance department appears for respondents. 2 and 7. Notice on the our extra copies. Respondents are allowed to file affidavits. List of the forwards. In the interview. The communication dated 2nd September 2024. Written by the Treasury Officer, Kolakan Staff Treasury, and addressed to the BEO Agumani.
Golok and short summary.
In respect of refund of excess drawal of salary. In respect of the petitioners, is
Yes,
it?
madam, yes.
In respect of petitioners. No, with regard to refund of excess drawal of salary, as well as the communication dated 2nd September 2024.
Address to BO Agomuni.
Written by the Treasury Officer, Golagan Sub Treasury. And address to the BO Golagans.
And Agomoni.
Huh?
And Agomoni, two communication. Because they belong.
Oh, first was Agumani, isn't it?
Yes.
And the BO Golagans.
Yes.
With regard to refund of excess drawal of salary. In respect of the petitioners shall remain suspended.
Man, at least along with item number 6262 petition.
Okay, list the matter. Of the forward, sir, along with WBC number 6262 of 22.
24.
My lord, this matter may be taken up at 2, my lord. Some difficulties there.
Of 2, my lord. Then, my lord,
Some
petitioner has not suppressed the material facts, my lord. Earlier, the petitioner had the repetition that has not been annexed, my lord. That has not mentioned anything, my lord. Earlier, his repetition was dismissed, my lord. He has not mentioned this, that one, my lord.
That's fine, my lord, at 2 p.m.
Okay, I have
need some,
difficulty, my lord.
important document.
I have the difficulty, my lord, on Monday, my lord.
He's having some difficulty, then we'll have it on Monday.
Yes, lord.
Oh, you're appearing on behalf of?
On behalf of petitioner.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
S.D. Prasad.
S.P. Prasad, and the counsel for the petition.
Really, okay.
Down, second.
25.
The first writ petition was dismissed on the same
ground,
ground.
my lord, that he doesn't have the requisite qualification of 17 years for promotion to the post of principal, my lord. He has not disclosed that one, my lord, before this court, my
That
lord.
is not the petition. I'm the first time appearing.
No, my lord, that is a website in the file number is there,
No,
my lord. Petition is there, same petitioner, my lord.
No.
On behalf of the Karbialang Autonomous Council, my lord. Earlier. Lordship will look into that order, my lord. It is available in the website also.
Petitioner's name?
My lord, Hiteshwar Sharma, my lord. My website, it is appeared like that way, my lord. Fourth paragraph, my lord. The petitioner joined as assistant teacher on 12/9/98 in the grades or scale tier of Warpathar ME School. The petitioner here also. In Karbialang district, subsequently, he was transferred to Bukajan Higher Secondary School on 24/8/2012. Admittedly, the petitioner does not have the requisite teaching experience of 17 years as graduate teacher, either in any higher secondary school or higher secondary school. Cannot be equated with the graduate teacher in any higher secondary school. That is the point raised in this particular case also, the petitioner. And he has not disclosed that one.
Lordship, the issue is different, Lordship. Even on Monday, I will everything clarify.
25.
Was a petitioner joined as LP school teacher in 1999, page 28. Thereafter, let's say petitioner completed basic training, page 33. And thereafter, they were given the regular scale of pay and GPF account. Page 34 is a GPF account. Lordship got it? Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, service of the petitioner along with some were terminated. And they have challenged this the termination by filing WPC case number. And thereafter, termination order is 140, Lordship.
Page?
Page 140.
140.
Lordship.
Are you sure about the page number?
Yes, page 40.
40. Yes.
Now, Lordship, the release of salary of the basis of the post one most committee education department in reference government of Assam Iman, while recommending the bill of payment of the area teacher vacancy position along with the teachers are to be indicated in respective block elementary education. These are the order passed by the director of Bodoland Secretary Bodoland Territorial Council, Lordship. Thereafter, Lordship, the termination order at page 42. Page 42. Their service has been terminated by order dated 30th January 2009. 30th January 2009. That order was challenged before this honorable court, page 44.
Okay.
Termination was set aside by this honorable court. Page 48 is the relevant portion. And directed to give the full salary, area salary. Thereafter, some of the petitioner also approached the writ appeal. Page 50 is the writ appeal order that is 6/2/2015. Lordship was one of the member of the 6/2/2015. According to them, Lordship, government has decided to regularize all the service of the petitioner. Thereafter, Lordship, regulation has been made at page 61.
Yes.
Page 61 is the regulation order. Second paragraph, regulation of service of the individual teacher shall be subject to the following condition. This is a regulation order. In 2015, 1st of October 2015. Now, Lordship, again, their service has been regularized, page 63. In 2022. Second regulation order. Now they have said, Lordship, petitioners are not entitled for the regular pension. They have GPF account and everything. Now, by this regulation order, again, the petitioner will not be entitled for pension and they will be terminated in new pension scheme. And now, Lordship, recently government has issued a notification in 2024 that a person appointed into before 2005 will be given the regular scale of pay. This is the case, Lordship. Petitioner only claim that he should be given the regular pension, that they have the GPF account. I have already shown, Lordship.
You are still maintaining the GPF account?
We have the GPF account.
No,
but
are you
government-
subscribing to the GPF accounts now?
account will be debited by the government. They have not debited now,
They have not debited after your termination.
after termination.
And the regularization order of 2015, was it challenged by you?
No. No one has challenged. They have
Because that regularization is with prospective effect.
prospective effect.
Okay, yeah, who is actually? Chitia? Oh, yeah, I see.
Lordship, may at least this notice may be issued because we are doing service, only pension matter.
What Mr. S.K. Goswami and the council issue notice. Elementary, you are correct? Yes, Chitia and the council elementary division. Appears for the respondent number 1. What? Only one. How about BTC? Mr. B. Nayak, London Standing Council, BTC appears for respondents 2, 3, 4,
and 5.
Finance. And Mr. H. Alia, London Standing Council, Finance appears for respondents. The purpose.
We'll give extra copy.
Respondents are allowed to file on at least 24 weeks.
26.
Obligers.
Made, please.
Yes.
Lordship. Lordship, advertisement was issued, Lordship, 17/1/24. Lordship, kindly straightway go to Lordship, page number 20, Lordship.
19 or 20?
Page number 20, 19, 20. 19 and 20. From 19 start, Lordship, and page number 20 is relevant for 20.
Yes.
Lordship, column number 3, Lordship. Lordship, Hindi teacher, Lordship. For upper primary.
Page?
Page 20, Lordship. For upper primary school.
Column number?
Column number 3, Lordship.
Okay. Hindi teacher.
Hindi teacher for column number 3.
You applied for this course?
For this course.
Hindi teacher.
Hindi teacher.
Oh.
Lordship. Hindi teacher qualification for higher secondary, public senior secondary, or its equivalent. Number 1, Lordship. Then, Lordship, graduate with Hindi as one of the subjects from the UGC recognized university and 2-year diploma in elementary education by whatever name known. I have all the qualification, Lordship. That is not the dispute, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship. Then, Lordship, page number 22. Lordship, a list was published, Lordship, for verification and consideration of this post, Lordship. And my CL number is, Lordship, 4116, page number 24, Lordship. 1, 2. Rusan Little from
Four number?
CL number 4116 from bottom, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, kindly see my 4116. My name is Susan Little, and I am getting 17.22 marks, Lordship. Left side, Lordship. Page number 24.
Oh.
Then, Lordship, on page number 27. The scrutiny has been done and appointment letter has been issued, Lordship. The appointment letter has been issued by this order, Lordship. Kindly see page number 30. 30, CL number 26. and
Yes.
cell number 27.
Oh.
And Lordship, page number 31, cell number 30. All the persons are below than me, Lordship, in marks, Lordship.
Who are these respondents?
Respondent number, Lordship. Respondent is 4.
Same number?
Cell number 26.
Oh,
Page number 30.
okay.
Respondent 5, cell number 27.
Oh.
And respondent number 6, Lordship, page number 31, cell number 30.
Okay.
Lordship. Their marks are, Lordship, Lordship, can you see page number 27? Lordship, 27. Lordship, page number. Page number 25, Lordship. Page number 25. Their serial number is 4704 and 4714. Their marks are 16.18 and 16.82. And respondent number serial number 4915. Their marks is 16.67. Lordship, they are below than me, Lordship. They have been selected and appointed. Therefore, Lordship, I have filed a representation.
You got how much?
I am 17.22.
17.22.
Therefore, I have filed a representation, Lordship, page number 33. Why I was not considered, Lordship. But till let no reply, and therefore, Lordship, filing this petition, Lordship, at this stage, the appointment has been given, Lordship, so notice may be good, Lordship.
Let's see the page number 18 annexure 5 and page number 119 annexure.
Page number?
Page number 18 annexure 5.
Okay.
Linguist optional 1 Assamese. And advertise page number 19.
1 minute. Page number 18.
18.
Language.
Language 1 optional 1 Assamese. Opted.
Okay. And
page number 19. Advertisement only row number 3
is Hindi.
He opted Assamese instead and applied for Hindi.
Yes.
Lordship, the assistant teacher shall be test the candidates of Maldives veterinary case within candidate. Yes, Lordship, it is a general, Lordship. It is for the Assamese, it is a general test, Lordship. There is no Hindi. There is no Hindi. There is no. It is a medium, Lordship. Language. It is a medium.
The essential qualification of a Hindi teacher.
Yes, Hindi teacher has only
graduate with Hindi.
Yes, no, graduate with one of the subject as Hindi.
That's one of the subjects.
Yes,
where's your graduation certificate?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, page number, Lordship, 13, Lordship.
Page number?
Page number 13. Hindi. Then Lordship, page number 14. 14 is my graduation certificate, Lordship. Hindi, MIL subject, Lordship, Hindi.
Where is that?
Lordship, page number 14, Lordship. After 13, page number 14.
Okay. What, Mr.
D. Mahanta.
Then counsel for petition. You are appealing for?
BTC, there's no number 2 and 3.
School education. You are the MSSTK and Understanding Council, School Education Department. Appears for respondent number 1. And Mr. R.K. Mushari, Understanding Council BTC, appears for respondents
2 and 3.
2 and 3. Extra copies.
Another similar method only pending, my lord.
Petitioner to take steps for service of notice on respondents 4, 5, and 6 by registered post AD.
My lord, similar method pending.
Respondents are allowed to file
Maybe take
list after 4 weeks along with WBC number
4769/2024.
47
4769
of 2024.
Oblige.
27. May I please, your lordships? Here, my lord, petitioner before lordships was principal in charge of my lord PR Government Higher Secondary School, my lord. Hereafter, on my lord, on 16/9/2011, my lord, he was placed under suspension, my lord. My lord, 8/6/2010, he was placed under suspension. And it's C page 19, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, on 16/9/2011, he was reinstated after departmental proceeding and inquiry, my lord. But two penalty was imposed. One was my five increments were hold and suspension period shall not be treated as on duty, my lord.
Where's your reinstatement order?
Yes, my lord. Page 20, my lord. 20. Last but second paragraph, my lord. Having regard to the report of inquiry office, I impose the penalty of withholding 5 increments with cumulative effect of the government servant under Rule 9 of the Assam Service Discipline and Appeal Rules 1964. And subsequently, my lord, the government servant is reinstated in his substantive post, which is held prior to the suspension. Period spent on suspension shall not be treated as on duty. Thereafter, my lord, again that order, my lord, petition came before this honorable court, my lord. And honorable court disposed of the writ petition by directing Commissioner Secretary to the government of Assam, my lord, to dispose of the representation filed by the petitioner within 2 months, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the Commissioner thereafter the Secretary, School Education Department, my lord, on this regard, heard the entire matter, inquiry report, and thereafter passed order, my lord, page, my lord, 25, annexure F. Where, my lord, the last relevant portion is, my lord, last page 26, order. After careful consideration of the above and approval of the competent authority obtained accordingly, it is decided to condone the penalty imposed on Sri Mazhar Ali Mandal, fight order dated so and so by the disciplinary authority and director of secondary education. Subsequently, thereafter, my lord, the penalty was condoned, my lord. Therefore, subsequent order was passed by the director, my lord, page 27, my lord. And accordingly, thereafter, my lord, the principal in charge of the government had in the petition retired, my lord. In between, in 2012, he is retired.
Petitioner retired.
Retired, my lord. In 2012, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, the principal in charge of the government higher secondary school, he submitted proposal of the arrear salary of the petitioner, my lord, before the director. The matter is pending till today, my lord. The accordingly petition before lordship.
Thus, you can take some instructions.
No, your lordship, notice may go, your lordship, because with effects from dated, your lordship, it was already stated, your lordship, kindly, I may pray, your lordship, at this stage, notice may go, your lordship.
Why notice? This is only for error salary.
Yes, but
And the representation which has been filed by the petitioner has also not been considered till now.
that is the proposal of the principal, my lord.
Let us see, you try to get instructions on next day, we can try to dispose of.
Yes.
On the basis of this representation.
Oh. But Mr. B. Raman, let us
Yes.
also put a petition. Now, by way of the present petition, the petitioner is praying for error salary. Which period?
My lord,
Salary pending.
pending salary page 30, my lord, page 30.
With effects from.
Praying for you're praying for error
Yes,
salary.
period, yes, my lord. Page 31, my lord, 1/6/2010 to 31/8/2012.
Praying for error salary. For the period 1/6/2010
10 to
31/8/2012.
12.
Amounting to rupees 504485. Stop, huh? MSP does, then the standing council, secondary education shall receive instructions in the budget. How much time?
2 weeks time may be granted to us.
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Later.
Okay.
Number to
So the head superintendent of a school, page 23, has submitted statement of area salary to the director through inspector of school. Page 23. Area amount of 1,31,479. Then page 33, IS has so submitted the proposal on 11/1/2022.
Okay.
Let my friend can also, my can instruction be called for my letter. Thereafter, I have filed also a representation, page 34, on the basis of the proposal.
Representation.
Page 34 representation. Page 33 is the proposal of IS. 35.
34, 35, there is two representation of that.
Two.
Two representation
Two.
is there.
When it was received.
This has been through post office mail. By post. Yes.
You take instruction, then we can dispose of next day. Heard Mr. M.R. Kandakar on the council. By way of the present petition. The petitioner is paying for error salary for the period 1 to 1987 to 30/11/2007, amounting to rupees 1,31,479. Is that correct? 1,31,000.
1,31,000.
From 1 to 1987 to 2007, correct? Okay. Must be thus, the understanding council. Secondary Education Department shall receive inspections. How much time?
3 weeks time.
List after 2 weeks.
56 of supplementary list.
For motion, my lord. For
Motion.
I am up.
56 of supplementary list motion.
May please, your lordship, my lord. This is second round of litigation. Lordship's previous order, your lordship will find page 121. 121, my lord. Issue is that, my lord, a departmental proceeding was initiated. The petitioner, he initially wanted to engage a retired government servant as defense assistant. That was rejected. Thereafter, he submitted proposal for appointing an in-service person as his defense assistant. And the respondents, my lord, they sat over the matter. Thereafter, the petitioner approached this court by filing this writ petition. And your lordships, the counsel for the respondents also on that day very fairly submitted that yes, he is entitled for a defense assistant of his choice. That your lordship will find page 124, para 6. And finally, your lordship was pleased to direct the respondents at para 11, page 125. Accordingly, the disciplinary authority is directed to take steps forthwith to allow the petitioner to have a defense assistant to assist him in the said DP. Till the defense assistant is nominated to assist the petitioner, the disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner shall not be proceeded any further from today. Now, this was communicated to the respondents, and in clear non-application of mine, they have passed this order, impugn order at page 127. My nomination was, lordship will find
Where's your nomination?
my nomination, page 112.
112.
And consent letter, lordship will find,
112.
I'm sorry,
112. Yes.
application, subject application for appointment of defense assistant. Proposed defense assistant, lordship will find Sri Subhra Malik Chaudhary, so and so, so and so. He's a government servant, my lord. Initially, they refused my case that I suggested one retired government servant. Now, this and the consent letter of this defense assistant, lordship will find 113. He consented that he will be the defense assistant. Now, a complete stranger has been appointed as defense assistant by the impugn order, my lord. Rule 9(5), if your lordships kindly take up, it provides, it confers power on the upon the disciplinary authority only to approve. It doesn't confer any power either to choose or nominate. The lordships has got rule 9(5). The disciplinary authority may nominate any person to present the case in support of the charge before the authority. Inquiring into the charge, herein is referred to as inquiring authority. The government servant may present his case with the assistance of any other government servant approved by the disciplinary authority, but may not engage a legal practitioner for the purpose unless the person nominated by the disciplinary authority as aforesaid is a legal practitioner, or unless the disciplinary authority having regard to the circumstances of the case so permits. So this power is confined only to the extent of approval. The delinquent charge officer will suggest that he will be my defense assistant or nominate. No, this is not going over the board. So this impugn order has to be stayed along with the further proceedings of the TP, my lord.
Yes, pursuant to the honorable court's order, Lordship, this order has been issued, the impugn order. So, Lordship, here to my understanding, Lordship, Rule 9(5) says, Lordship, that the disciplinary authority may nominate any person to present the case in support of the charges before the authority inquiry into the charges. The government servant may present his case with the assistance of any other government servant approved by the disciplinary authority, but may not engage a legal practitioner for the purpose of, Okay. And Lordship, if Lordship turns the page 112.
CLA.
112.
CLA, government servant.
112, Lordship.
Yes.
Here, Lordship, the proposed defense assistant is name of this given, Lordship, below, Lordship, by the petitioner. Page 112 of the report. The proposed name is Sri Subhra Malik Chaudhary, Chief Law Assistant Legal. So he is a legal practitioner. Lordship. He related to law, not directly legal practitioner, but related to law issue. He looks after that. So Lordship,
Page 113. Second para.
Lordship. It's a declaration of that declaration. It's a, I'm not a legal practitioner. This is declaration only, Lordship. But anyhow, he is associated with.
Have you rejected the proposal made by the petitioner?
But Lordship, now
Once the petitioner makes a proposal,
Lordship,
either you approve or don't approve.
No.
Correct?
No.
If you don't approve, you should inform the petitioner, we are not approving this. You
For this reason.
nominate another person.
Lordship, this 127 page impugn order has been issued pursuant to honorable court's order. That is my thought.
Okay, we'll see.
Not-
This is a small matter, actually.
Exactly, my lord.
no-
On the first day when this matter was moved on the earlier occasion, I never expected that this kind of order will be passed, my lord. What prejudice will cause to you, my lord? I am, because lordship will kindly appreciate, it's a privileged relationship between, like, my lord, an attorney and a client, my lord. He need to have utmost faith on his counsel, and at the same time, the charge officer need to have, you are appointing a stranger.
Regarding that, whether approved or not, that may be disposed of by the authorities. If
No, you have already appointed.
Already appointed, my lord, documents were furnished to him. Down below, your lordship will see.
The issue is that now we'll have to consider whether this
stranger can be appointed.
this one. You want to take instructions?
Yes, Lordship. Lordship, I'll obtain instruction, not study. Instruction will be required.
Okay. But Mr. H.K. Das, none accounts for the petition. Stop. The petitioner is presently serving as an associate professor.
Associate professor.
Associate professor in the Department of Electrical Engineering.
Yes, my lord.
Assam Engineering College, Jalukbari, Assam. Stop. Relating to an incident that took place on 28/29th of May 2023, wherein 6 students of Assam Engineering College, Jalukbari, lost their lives. The petitioner was issued with a show cause notice on 21/9/2023. Stop. The petitioner replied to the show cause notice on 3/7/2024. Stop. Thereafter, the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Higher Education Department, issued a notification dated 13/8/2024, appointing the inquiry officer as well as the presenting officer. Stop. The petitioner, by a communication dated 21/8/2024, wrote to the disciplinary authority requesting to nominate a defense assistant in respect of the petition. Stop. However, as no defense assistant was nominated, the petitioner approached this court by filing WBC number 5697 of 2024, which was disposed of by order dated 5/11/2024, directing the disciplinary authority to forthwith take steps to allow the petitioner to have a defense assistant to assist him in the said departmental proceeding. Stop. It was also further directed that till the defense assistant is nominated to assist the petitioner, the disciplinary proceeding against the petitioner shall not proceed any further. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner that thereafter, the petitioner, by a communication dated 22/10/2024,
It's subject to correction, my lord. It was already prior to your lordship's order, it was he nominated on 22/10. It's not prior to.
Cancel it. It is the case of the petitioner that the petitioner had already nominated one Shri Subra Malik Chowdhury, page 112, you'll see the spelling, to be his defense assistant by a communication dated 22/10/2024, addressed to the disciplinary authority. Stop. The said Supra Malik Chowdhury also gave his consent letter by another communication dated 22/10/2024, which was addressed to the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Higher Education within bracket T. Stop. However, without citing any reasons, comma, the secretary, higher education department, by a notification dated. What date is this?
15/11/2024, my lord.
15/11/2024. Appointed one Sri Bulbul Sharma.
Bubul.
Bubul, well,
Yes.
yeah, Bubul Sharma. Assistant Controller of Examination, comma, STE, as the defense assistant for the petitioner in the departmental proceeding drawn up against him. Stop. It is the case of the petitioner. Being aggrieved. The present writ petition. Mr. A.R. Dabilda, Standing Council Higher Education, shall receive instructions. Stop. List when?
Next week.
Yeah, it's better you get your instructions so that you can proceed with the disciplinary.
Yes, sir.
proceeding.
But if that may be mentioned that once the disciplinary authority assistant is appointed, but as earlier, Lordship had appointed at para 12. At para 12, Lordship has, in the earlier petition, Lordship has pointed out that once the issue is settled, then that it will proceed, Lordship. The disciplinary proceeding should proceed.
No,
That
this
should
is-
be mentioned.
This is not a disposal order, my lord. This is
No, no,
an instruction. And my
So
lord,
you
Lordship
said
will
instruction, list the
kindly
matter.
protect.
List the matter. When do you want?
Next week, Lordship.
6th.
6th I'll be out of, my lord. Can it be, my lord, on 9th, my lord?
9th.
Yes, ma'am.
On 9th.
Oh.
9th, Lordship. No, 9th, Lordship, can 10th, Lordship.
10.
Fine.
10.
Till the next returnable date. The notification dated 15/11/2024,
Lordship.
by which the defense assistant was appointed, shall remain suspended.
And the further proceedings of the DP, my
Till the
lord.
next returnable.
And the further proceedings of the
Lordship,
DP.
once they
Second.
It
And-
is also provided that further departmental proceeding against the petition shall also remain suspended.
My
till the
lord.
next
My lord.
until Lordship defense is engaged.
That we will see after you get your instructions. We'll pass up with all those.
Yes.
That
Just-
observation.
Highly obliged.
Don't worry.
Lord, it is all problem created. They approve my thing, my lord. I would have continued with the proceeding, my lord. Highly obliged.
One of daily list, motion.
Maybe not.
Lordship, my seniority is like in code number 10, Lordship. Matter finally may be taken some few minutes.
Fourteen.
He was supposed to be with the instructions.
Lordship, here I've got verbal instruction. As per the instruction, Lordship, in the gradation list that has been prepared on the basis of those who incumbent who were in the headquarter office, and some of them who got promoted and was posted at headquarter office. Lordship, may take it up on Wednesday. I will have the written instruction. This is the verbal instruction.
Just an interim order.
Yes.
Are you going to act on the seniority list
Lordship,
one of these days?
They are
Of-
processing.
not-
What my instruction is they are processing.
Processing what?
Yes, for promotion to the next higher grade from this.
Lordship,
Let-
processing that after only the government approves it, then only the next stage will come. I don't think within 2-3 days, Lordship, it will happen. Lordship, may take it up on Wednesday. I will have the written instruction.
Okay.
Lordship, may I just submit? Let them file an affidavit, and in the meantime,
No,
let
let
them
them get the
proceed.
instructions. After instructions, this court will consider whether
Yes,
interim will have to pass. After that, they can file the affidavit. Some protection is also required, isn't it?
Yes, for us also there.
That's why I'm
Yes.
saying.
No.
So let us see what instruction comes. Then I will pass appropriate orders on the next day.
Lordship, yes. Monday or Tuesday?
Heard MS D. Borgohan, Learning Council for the petition. On request made by Mr. B. Chowdhury, Learned Standing Council, SCRT. List the matter. When do you want?
On Wednesday, Lord, the coming Wednesday.
Wednesday is what, 4th? to enable him to receive instructions. The prayer for interim shall be considered on the next returnable date.
Lordship, yes, and if the instruction does not come, then
Does not-
Lordship.
Lordship, we will
Yes.
go ahead.
29 and 30. Admission.
My lord, in this case, our limited prayer was that the University Grants Commission issued permission to the KK Hendrik Open State University to take admission of some trainee teachers. Now, they have taken the admission. All of a sudden, the KK Hendrik University has stopped this process. All of a sudden. Already we have got admitted some students. They are fed, they are like is now hanging, they are pressurizing us. So in this way, that was why our case, our limited prayer was that the students whom we have taken only admission, before stopping this process, which was granted by the UGC to KK Hendrik University, those students shall be allowed to appear in the examination and thereafter to declare result as procedure of law. So this is our limited prayer. I think there is no objection should be there. Because we took admission to when the university asked us to stop this, we have to stop this. But already who have been taken admission, their head is hanging.
Yes, Fukan, are you ready?
Not ready with the.
Is your mic on? Is your mic on?
The time is taken. We are under pressure from the students. That is.
Yeah. Yeah.
Milord, 1 week time may be allowed.
When is the examination?
No, it is after the university.
Mm.
They have not yet declared.
They have not declared yet.
Yeah.
See, what they are saying is those students who are already admitted, now their fate is at stake. So let only those students who were already admitted earlier, let them appear the examination. And thereafter, we can continue with this matter. So you take an instruction.
And there is also a stay order from this honorable court.
Take those instructions and come back. Heard Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P.G. Fukan, and the standing counsel.
KK Hendrik State Open University.
KK Hendrik State Open University. Shall take instructions as to whether the students who were earlier earlier admitted into
In 2016-17 best.
who were earlier admitted into which course?
In open learning. Distance learning, yes.
Who were earlier admitted in the year
16-17.
16-17 may be permitted to appear for the examinations in the to the forthcoming examinations. Okay, that much will do.
To be fixed by the university.
Lordship.
Which will be fixed by the okay to the forthcoming university examination.
Lordship, with regard to item 30, petitioner has taken back the brief from us, so we are no more in this matter.
Now this is going to delay the matter again, Mahmood.
29.
Okay, that will be in item 29. Okay. When do you want?
Miller, after 1 week. And my name may be shown in item 29. In item 30, my name is there.
I'll give a fixed date.
Miller.
After a week. This is the matter on 11th?
Miller.
11th of December. Stop. In the next case, 1643. MS
As developed.
S. Def, Learned Counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner has withdrawn the brief from their chamber, and accordingly, comma, they will not be appearing on behalf of the petitioner. Stop. The registry is directed to notify the petitioner. Stop. List the matter on same date. 11.
Same day, most of.
31.
In this case, again, accommodation method, extraction is extraction has not been received.
My lord, 2019 matter pertains to pension law. Difficulty is that matter.
The pension, my lord, I'll submit regarding the pension. But pension, he is not entitled to because his service has been confirmed only on 2002, my lord.
No.
Because before that, he was in a temporary post. Regarding termination, my lord, I need to get instruction whether his purpose has been issued and if he was proceeded on.
You have not filed your affidavit also?
No.
Respondent number 4 and 5 has filed their affidavit.
That I've seen.
My lord, he was regularized on 25/3/1998. Already he has completed 10 years of regular service. As per office memorandum issued by the government of India, Assam, my lord, the person who has completed 10 years of service is entitled for proportionate pension.
Kindly have my lord, page 18, my lord, confirmation.
Okay.
I'll
Anyway,
look into them.
how much time you require?
My lord, kindly give 3 weeks time, my lord, I'll find.
Don't take 3 weeks, 2019.
Or 2 weeks time, my lord, I'll.
Okay. Third, Mr.
Yes, Chaudhary.
S. Chowdhury, Learned Counsel. Mr. S. Das, Learned Standing Counsel Higher Education Department is allowed 2 weeks time to receive instructions and or file after.
Yes.
My lord, the fixed date may be given.
To start. Okay. 16th of December?
Deeply.
17.
17 is a hearing day. Okay. 17 December.
Deeply.
32.
Yes, Ditya, Katanya, anything?
Yes, I have received an instruction from the department, my lord. Finance has rejected the claim of the petitioner.
Affidavits have come? The Accountant General. Who appears for finance? You file your affidavit. Why you have rejected the case? How much? 1 week time, you can file your affidavit. How about the pension? You'll also have to file. You have rejected the case of it.
Central department has for more.
Okay. Heard Mr.
D. Bora.
D. Bora, learned counsel for the petition. Stop. Mr. N.G. Khatania, learned standing counsel, Elementary Education Department, has furnished a communication dated 28/11/2024, written by the Undersecretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, and addressed to the Director of Elementary Education, Assam, wherein it is stated that on receipt of the proposal for regularization of services and finalization of pensionary benefits in respect of the petitioner's late husband, the department has consulted with the ARTD and PG department and finance department for regularization of service in respect of the petitioner's late husband. However, both the departments regretted the proposal for regularization of service period by endorsement dated 14/11/2024. Stop. Para. The Learned Standing Council, Finance Department is directed to file an affidavit. Stop. When do you want? HO. Okay. How much time you require? 1 week. Are you sure? You can file it. You've got the instruction. Okay. Okay. This the matter on
10th of December.
11th December.
11th. My lord, there is an order, my lord.
MS L. Gogoi, Learned Counsel, appears on behalf of Mr. C. Barwa, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General, Assam.
Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 10/6/24. There is a direction for paying provisional pension monthly, my lord. They have already violated the order, my lord, again and again, my lord.
Now
Earlier
that
also I
you
have,
have pensionary benefits that has been already rejected.
my lord.
Now where's the question of paying provisional pension? Let them file your affidavit. Then after that we'll pass appropriate orders. If you are entitled, this court will grant you the benefits.
But my lord, there isn't still an order to pay provisional pension per month, my lord.
Okay.
For last month, I have not received my provisional pension.
Earlier you were getting?
Earlier getting regularly, my lord.
Okay.
I have also filed contempt cases, my
Now
lord.
it is rejected, my lord.
Let them file the affidavit and
But there is no whisper about the provisional pension in this letter, my lord.
Obviously, if he's not entitled to a final pension, how can he will get the provisional pension?
Yes.
34.
And that affidavit also reflected about the provisional pension.
That they will come with all
My lord.
everything.
Petty. The matter is a very small one. So for release of the special allowance. We are graduate teachers, madam. Drawing the grade pay of rupees 8,700. As per notification of the 4818, page 25.
Yes.
The government is decided to provide special allowances of rupees 300 per month to the graduate teachers of high school, higher secondary school against the grade pay of rupees so and so with immediate effect. From publication of that notification, we are entitled to receive the rupees.
You have not got.
I have not gone. Affidavit has been filed by stating that since we were initially appointed in ME school, subsequently our service has been amalgamated to high school. That is why we are not entitled. But before publication of this notification, my lord, this order, my lord, our school was amalgamated. I have filed a reply to that effect. So, according to their stand, that earlier we were appointed as ME teacher. That is not, my lord, sustainable because of the fact we are drawing the grade pay of rupees 8,700 as per notification. We are also recognized as graduate teachers. Prior to issuance of this notice, our school was amalgamated. Now our status is such, we are graduate teachers drawing grade pay of rupees 8,700. Accordingly, we are within the periphery of this notification, and accordingly we are entitled to receive the special allowance.
Where is the affidavit?
Our affidavit is page 34, my lord.
Para 5 is a stand taken by the department. Page 30.
Yes, Catania, what is this done?
My lord, initially, they were in ME school, my lord. Subsequently, their school was amalgamated with a high school.
Now they are in high school?
Now they are in high school. So our stand is that, my lord, this benefit of special allowance of 300.
When was it? When was your school amalgamated?
My lord, if you like to take note of my agenda, my lord, page 4, my lord. I have mentions in detail, my page 4, page 42.
Page
42, my lord, running. The petitioner 1 and 2, their school was amalgamated with effect from 1/1/2018.
Where is that? Where is that?
Page 41.
Page
Paragraph
41, my lord.
41. Paragraph 1. Paragraph 4. With effect from 1/1/2018. Again, my lord, in regards to petition number 3, 5, 6, and 7, their school was amalgamated with effect from 16/6/2017. Next page, my lord. Regarding petitioner number 4, their school was amalgamated on 22/9/2016. All the schools were amalgamated prior to issuance of that notice.
See, this notification of 4th August 2018
Yes, madam.
is very clear. It says, after careful consideration of the report of the anomaly committee, special allowance of 300 rupees per month to graduate teachers of high schools, public higher secondary schools, against grade pay of rupees 8,700. That's all.
Yes.
It does not say that those who were amalgamated later, those who were not it does not say anything. Are they high school teachers or not? First
Yes,
thing.
madam. Now they are high school.
No, that's why. First thing is they are high school teachers.
No, now they are.
Are they getting 8,700?
Yes, madam.
Then does it specify that those who are those teachers who are amalgamated from ME school to high school, they are not entirely? Does it say?
No, madam.
Then
Wrong intent.
It's the end of the department, madam.
that's the stand of the department also. But then are you not supposed to advise them also?
It's very difficult, madam.
Why?
We advise the department.
Then why are you standing here?
I'm just standing here to defend the department. Until and unless they are not specifically asking for advice, very difficult to give advice to the department. I leave it to Lordship, madam.
Okay. Heard, Mr.
MP.
MP Sharma, let us counsel for the petition. also heard Mr. N.G. Khatania, London Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. You want, I'm disposing it, or if you want sometime, I can give you a short period.
I can obtain instruction whether
Pleadings have been completed.
otherwise.
The pleadings are complete.
Yes, madam.
Now that I've made my mind clear,
Yes, madam.
if you want to take some
Yes,
time,
madam.
I
My lord
can
may
give
take it on
you a
next week.
short time.
In,
Otherwise, I'm disposing it of
yes,
today.
madam. My lord may take it next week. My lord may keep parted out. No,
No
objection.
need for parted. It will come up automatically.
Yes, madam. Next week, my lord.
This is a short matter.
Yes.
Special allowance 300 rupees for those 8,700 graduate teachers,
Yes, madam. I'll
graduate high school teachers. Let us put.
I'll communicate with the department.
I have also annexed on a document. Department has taken a different view in relation to other similarly situated persons. They are getting mad. But we
Have
are
you
not.
got a copy of the reply affidavit?
Yes. Yes.
On that
I'll
basis, you can take your instructions.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, then, what did I say? Heard, Mr. London Council for the petitioner on request made by N.J. Khatani, London Standing Council, Secondary Education Department. This is the matter on 6th. 6th of December, Khatani?
Yes, madam.
6th December. MS L. Gogoi, London Council, appears on behalf of Mr. C. Barwa, London Standing Council, Accountant General.
Public.
35 to 39.
My lord, on a number of petitions that took time to file it, the submission matter was listed on in short sales of time mine. But it is the last order.
H. Tirangpi.
No, I've been told that affidavit has been filed, madam. But
When did
my
you
learned-
file it?
learned friend, Sahib,
Have you got a copy?
No.
Then could not have
Malam
filed.
will take it up after some time, madam, or 2 months. There won't be.
Okay. Take up at 2 o'clock.
Problem.
One of daily list motion.
Yes, Sina.
May I please, your lordship, this is a non-compliance to the order dated
When was the order passed?
27/9/23. They only just there's no other option, my lord, other than this proceeding. No other option is there. Because the earlier that decision was set aside by this honorable court, madam. If it is not acted upon, then petitioner will have no remedy. Para 5, page 11. In view of the matter, the rejection of DLC of Highland in this meeting dated so and so in respect of application of petitioner set aside, the matter is remanded back to place again before the next DLC. So within a 1 year have gone, they have not placed the matter before. Now they have a new OM has come up. I don't know what will be the fate, my lord. Until
This is an order of 27/9/2020.
yes, madam, 1 year has been.
That's more.
No other option, my lord, other than if that period is not condoned, my lord. The 2 months period. By condoning that period, your lordship may issue notice, my lord. Only to respond number 1. Other is I maybe struck off, my lord, respond number 2. Only 1 DLC. Let them reply. Let's see, my lord, because I don't think until and unless that new OM is set aside, then he will not get anything. And even though why in the 1 year they did not hold any DLC, my lord, last 1 year, then he would have some scope, my lord.
See, knowing fully well that you are beyond limitation,
Yes,
issuing a notice also is not proper.
I'm playing before your document.
Or if not, then I have to withdraw this one.
That's what I'm saying. You can withdraw and file a writ petition
Okay, man.
for implementation of this order.
Yes, ma'am. Okay.
Mr. B. Sinal and counsel for the petitioner press for withdrawal of this contempt petition with liberty to file an appropriate
Yes.
application. Stop. Contempt petition is accordingly closed with liberty as per.
Obliged. I love.
40, admission.
May I please, Your Honor?
In this case, on 10/8/2023, document directed us to file an detailed additional affidavit.
10/8/2023.
For last 1.5 year, Lordship, they are not ready to file any additional affidavit. Here, Lordship, although they have been appointed pursuant to a valid selection process, their services accommodated as tutor. Now, my grievance is that, Lordship, we are entitled for regular scale of pay. Our services has been accommodated as tutor under the Provincialization Act of 2017. Although we have been appointed in a provincialized school. In fact, this Act of 2017 is not applicable. But recently, Lordship,
Taking time since then.
for last 1.5 years. But recently, the issue is now settled.
I am praying for only 2 weeks time.
Not
the last
issue.
time.
Lordship, the issue regarding
After more than 1 year, you want one last
There
chance.
is a fault on our part.
Now, the issue is already decided by the division bench of this court regarding the entitlement of scale by the tutor under the Provincial Act of 2017. My prayer is that, Lordship, since the covered, Lordship, the matter will be disposed of, because here also the petitioners are entitled.
Order of the
Order of the petitioner, I suppose. This order was passed on 4th of October. I don't understand, Lordship. They were present while this order was passed. And they are supposed to go to this order. These are only delaying the matter.
Let us counsel for the petitioner. Mr. P.K. Bora, Leonard, standing counsel, secondary, elementary education department is allowed 2 weeks time as last chance to file
additional affidavit.
an additional affidavit.
As directed by this honorable court on
As
10/8/2023.
directed by this court on 10/8/2023. It is made clear that no further time will be given to the respondents on any grounds. Based on
That will be before vacation, Lord.
18th
18th.
December.
Obliged.
Failing which endeavor made to dispose of the matter.
I've said.
Lord. Obliged, Lord.
41,
Where's my pencil? Oh.
My lord, the status of area proposal has to be apprised, my lord. In progress.
In this case, my lord, we have not given instruction.
2-3 occasions, my lord, it was taken up, my lord, and the same stand.
On
Instruction is not coming properly.
last
I don't know why.
26, my lord, director asked that deputy inspector will provide the instruction. So, my lord, some time may be considered.
I don't know whether I'm too lenient with the standing councils and you're taking advantage, or
No,
now
no, my lord.
or I should now be very strict.
No, I'm not taking any effort.
I'm not saying against you, but I'm saying against all the standing councils.
Probably we are trying our level best, but we have received from the department.
Maybe time to get tighten up.
Here they have provided only a communication which they have written, director has written to the.
Heard Mr. B. Burka is still on the council for the petition. Mr. B.K. Bora, Leonard, standing council, elementary education department, is allowed 1 week time.
2 weeks.
Allowed 2 weeks time to receive instructions in terms of the order dated 2011-2024. Stop.
It is on 16, man.
This the matter on, okay, 16th December.
Obliged, deeply aware.
You are appearing for? Oh, Accountant General. Mr. A. Boralan, Counsel appears on behalf of Mr. S. K. Mehdi, Learned Standing Counsel, Accountant General, and Mr. P. Nayak appears for the Finance Department.
With the miscommunication, Lordship, I have said it in item number 34, Your Lordship. But in 35, Your Lordship.
34, you ordered?
Oh.
What order?
34, that is already filed, Your Lordship, by Anja Khatiner himself, Your Lordship. That is a separate matter, Your Lordship.
Okay, fine. Then from 35 to 39?
35, Your Lordship, I have sent to the department.
No, 35 to 39.
Yes, Your Lordship, I have sent to the department and Director Madam is sick, Your Lordship. So whether the one affidavit will cover the whole matter or not, that confirmation is needed, Your Lordship. So 2-3 days may be given.
No, my lord, this is the submission from 2022 onwards, my lords. One after another day, my time has been taken, my lord.
Okay. You want 2-3 days time?
Yes, Your Lordship. Because she is on leave, she is sick, Your Lordship.
So we'll list it next week.
Yes, Your Lordship.
But Mr. J. Laskar, Learned Counsel for Petition. MS Garanti, Learned Standing Counsel. Secretary Education Department.
Fine.
You want how many days time? Are you filing the affidavit?
Yes, Your
on-
Lordship will be filing once it comes from the department, Your Lordship. Because the affidavit, I have sent it to the department, Your Lordship.
Yeah.
It's just.
No, what you are saying is you're not sure whether one affidavit will cover the whole.
Yes, Your
whole-
Lordship. That
One
confirmation-
affidavit will cover, my lord, same issue, my lord.
That is up to them to decide.
Yes, Your Lordship. Next week, Your Lordship.
Praise for week's time then.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Week's time to file affidavit. Stop. Praise a lot, list on. 10th.
42.
May I pray for my lord? My lord, today I pray for adjournment of the matter, my lord.
Right.
Because, my lord, this matter will be argued by my senior Mr. T.C. Sutia, my lord. He is not available. Let the matter may be fixed on 5th of December, my lord. We have filed our affidavit in operation.
Okay, heard MS SP Chowdhury, Learned Counsel. On request made on behalf of Mr. T.C. Chuti and then Standing Counsel.
Yes, my lord.
Seba.
Seba,
List the matter. When do you want?
5th of December.
43.
My lord, it's regarding a declaration of result, my lord. I take your lordship straight to paragraph 9, my lord. Only one paragraph.
Of what?
Of the writ petition, my lord. Paragraph 9, page 12, my lord.
Yes.
My lord. May I read? Petitioner begs to state that after getting no result of third semester examination online, he approached the college authority immediately, informing the incident, and respondent college authority, after scrutinizing the records, advised the petitioner to approach the respondent university for his grievance. Accordingly, the petitioner approached the respondent university and narrated all his grievances before the authority concerned. The respondent authority, after going through the records and understanding the grievances of the petitioner, informed the petitioner that the respondent college had not submitted the required information of the petitioner to the respondent university after verification of the exam form, due to which his admit card could not be generated before the examination. Next page, Miller. Before the examination, and for the same reason, the result of his examination could not be declared. The respondent university advised the petitioner to approach the respondent college to get a solution to resolve his problem. The examination controlling branch of the respondent university clearly informed the petitioner that it is the duty of the respondent college to submit all the details of the student to the university to generate the admit card to the student. Now, my lord, my instruction is clear, my lord. my lord, there is no formal representation on the part of the writ petitioner to the university authorities, my lord. So, my lord, a representation should be submitted addressing to the controller of examination, Guwahati University. It should be routed through the college concert, that is Kesidas Commerce College, and with a report narrating the, my lord, the petitioner will narrate the entire incident, my lord, regarding that third semester examination, my lord, and it will be endorsed by the Kesidas Commerce College Authority with a report. Then, my lord, the Guwahati University Authority will act upon it. Otherwise, it will open a floodgate, my lord. It will be a chaos, my lord. Only verbal communication, my lord. That is one part. And second part, it will not, my lord, set any precedent, my lord. Since the career is at stake, my lord, so, my lord, there is a liberal view of the university authorities regarding this. But it should be the representation narrating entire things, my lord, should be rooted to the college concert. Why he has been allowed to appear, my lord, without admit card. Otherwise, this incident may occur in the days to come. That will create problem for the
Yes,
industry.
we are ready to submit the representation, narrating all these happenings, my lord.
But it could be routed through the college
Yes, my lord.
concert,
Yes,
with
my
a
lord.
report from the college.
Yes, my lord. We'll submit the representation through college consent and the college.
But instead of throwing mud on the college, he should admit his guilt, my lord, because he has wrongly filled up the form. He filled up,
See, one thing is
my
that
lord,
I'm not saying that the college has done wrong,
My lord.
university has done
My
wrong,
lord.
or the petitioner
My
has done something. This court is going to pass an new course
not
order.
sure. He was allowed to sit in the examination for
thing
edge
is
of justice,
Petitioner's grievance is that he did not get his admit card.
my lord.
And therefore, he approached the college. College said, approach the university.
University.
University said, college has not done this thing, that
My
thing.
lord.
So what this court is saying, it's not going to say anything.
My lord.
It's just that I'll direct the petitioner to make a representation,
My lord.
narrating all the incidents that have taken.
Admitting his guilt. Lordship.
No, I'm
Yes.
not saying anything.
My lord.
Narrating whatever has
My
happened
lord.
in detail
Lordship.
through the principal
My lord.
to the
Controller of Guwahati
controller of
University.
examination. All right.
My lord.
And when you forward the representation of the petitioner, the principal also should also submit a report along with the representation.
Yes, my that would be.
That should do.
Yes, that would be. Because he filled up the form from his own ID.
I don't know. I
From
don't
his
want
own
to know
ID, he
what
filed.
did, what he
Lordship,
did.
lordship. It would do. It would.
Yes.
Heard Mr.
D. Gogol.
D. Gogol and counsel for the petition. Also heard Mr. Buyan, learned standing counsel higher education. For the response number one, Mr. P.G. Fukan, learned standing counsel Guwahati University. For
2 and 3.
respondents 2 and 3, and MS B. Buyan, learned senior counsel assisted by MS R. Das. For the response number 4. Stop. Para. The petitioner is a student of BBA under the Department of BBA in the KC Das Commerce College, Chhatripari, Guwahati. Kamrup Metro, we have to put, not required. Guwahati, within bracket, Kamrup Metro, Assam. Stop. You appeared in the third semester?
Yes.
The petitioner appeared in the third semester examination, which was held from 2023 to 2023. Stop. The petitioner submitted his online application submitted his online examination form for the third semester of BBA examination 2022-2023 along with the first semester repeater oblique back paper examination 2022/2023 in the students portal on 17/11/2022. Stop. Along with the submission of his examination form, comma, the petitioner also submitted the third semester examination fees, comma, repeater oblique back examination fees, and sundry fees on the same date, i.e. 17/11/2022. Stop. The grievance of the petitioner in the present petition is that despite successfully uploading his examination form, the admit card in respect of the petitioner for the third semester examination was not uploaded in the portal, and accordingly he could not and accordingly the petitioner could not download the said admit card. So you missed your exam? No, not yet. Yes, stop. However, comma, the college authorities permitted the petitioner to sit for the third semester examination. Stop. Only the results have not been given. So how stop. The petitioner by way of the present petition is praying for direction to the respondents, particularly the Guwahati University, particularly the authorities in the Guwahati University, for issuance of the admit card for the third semester BBA examination 2022/2023, and also for declaration of his results. Stop. Mr. PG Fukan, the Standing Council, Guwahati University, submits that till date the petitioner has not made a written representation before the concerned authorities, and accordingly, comma, the petitioner may be directed to file a proper representation through proper channel. Stop. Para. Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, has no objections for making no, don't select this. No. Mr. D. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that if a direction is passed by this court, comma, the petitioner would be making his representation before the concerned authorities in the Guwahati University. Stop. Para. Accordingly, comma, after hearing the learned counsel for the parties, comma, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the petitioner to file an exhaustive representation narrating all the facts in his representation to the controller of examinations, Guwahati University, through the principal of the K.C. Das Commerce College, Chatripari, within a period of
15 days.
Within the period of, you want 15 days, within a period of 2 weeks.
Yes.
From today. Stop. Draft a comma on receipt of the representation by the on receipt of the representation made by the petitioner by the principal of the K.C. Das Commerce College, comma, the same shall be forwarded to the Controller of Examinations, Guwahati University, within a period of 1 week. Draft. Stop. 1 week. While forwarding the representation made by the petitioner, comma, the principal of the K.C. Das College, K.C. shall also send a report along with the representation. Stop. Para, subpara. The Controller of Examinations, Guwahati University, draft on receipt of the representation made by the petitioner shall consider the same and take appropriate step and pass no and take appropriate steps to
dispose of the representation submitted by the petition.
Shall take appropriate steps by disposing of the representation in accordance with law within a period of 2 weeks.
3 weeks.
Within a period of 3 weeks. Draft. Stop. With the aforesaid observations and directions, street petition is disposed of. That much will do.
Most of it.
44.
এই অৰ্ডাৰটো কোনটো আছিল য'ত আমি ইয়াতে আৰু ক্লোজ কৰি দিছিলোঁ
Yes, no affidavit till. Have
Yes.
you got the affidavit?
Sorry, no affidavits been filed in date. In fact, there's an order that was passed, your lordships, on 16/2/2024.
That I've seen.
Yeah, so it's always says that there's no affidavit, so may I just take your lordships to the,
Who is elementary? P.K. Bora. P. Das.
nobody wants to.
You appearing in the last occasion. On 16/2/2024, when this order was passed, you were present in the court. But then your name is there. MS P. Das, London Standing Council, Elementary Education Department. You're not elementary. Anyway, let us wait. Let them come.
We'll wait.
They want an ex parte order.
I think they want an ex parte order. You don't want to file a reply in this.
We have not received the instruction, my lord.
You know the order passed on 16/2/2024. Are you aware of that? Even after passing that order, this court has passed 3 orders.
Well, can it be after some time, my lord?
Why? After that, B. Kaushik was granted 3 weeks time. Then MS N. Fukan was granted 2 weeks time. Then PK Bora was another granted 2 weeks time. Different councils. And today is happening. You want after some time, we can take up after some time. If you want to take instructions, you get the instructions.
Well, can
After-
it be after next week, my lord, any day? Next week, my lord.
Is there a guarantee that there will be,
My lord,
there
my
will be,
My
there will be
lord.
some instructions?
Well, I will take my.
Are you
Next week,
free?
brother, any week.
Yes,
Is it convenient for you next week?
Yes, yes, but all I'm saying is, Your Lordship, that next week, if it is not filed, we should proceed with this because
My-
there is a slight issue on this involved. So I would
Okay.
request Your Lordships.
Heard Mr. R.B. Fukan, learned counsel for the petition. MS S. Tutor, learned standing counsel. Elementary Education Department is allowed 1 week time.
My
1 week time to file counter affidavit. How about the SCRT? Are you also filing? Okay, stop. A week's time, huh? If no affidavit is filed by the next returnable date, this case shall proceed on the basis of materials available on the court. List on 9th Monday.
May I request, I have a slight difficulty after 6. Can it be, Your Lordships, on 5th if it is not an inconvenience?
5th may not be.
thing for instruction, and not for affidavit. If 5th, madam.
5th.
Then after 10, my lord, we want to file affidavit, madam.
Okay, then any date you give, but then we have to see Fukan's convenience also.
Lordship may keep it on 9th.
Okay.
Your Lordships are keeping on 9th.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Apply.
46.
My lord, in this matter, my lord, affidavit has not been filed yet, my lord. So, my lord, 1 week time may be granted to file our.
Who's respondent to? You filed your affidavit.
We have filed our.
Secondary education has filed affidavit.
Yes, my lord.
It's a good development now.
He does it here.
And already prepared and sent for signature.
Okay, heard, Mr.
AK Das, Lordship.
AK Das,
Date
Learned
may be
counsel.
given, Lordship.
Learned counsel for the petitioner. The Secondary Education Department has filed affidavit. Para Mr. D.K. Roy, Learned standing counsel. Seba. Praise for
1 week.
1
1
week
week
time.
time.
Praise for a week's time to file counter affidavit. Praise allowed. List on 13th.
47. Order.
In fact, the last occasion was submitted, there was some appeal hearing, Malad. In fact, a hearing had taken place, but we are not aware of what order was passed thereafter. Mr. History appeared in the last occasion.
Order has been passed on 28/11/2024, my lord. Yes, sir.
Can you share a copy?
Okay. And giving my date.
What order is this?
The director is directed to take press inquiry.
No, it's neither here nor there. The appellate authority does not exercise any levels of.
You have not disposed of the appeal.
Just send back.
Of course, you have disposed of the appeal, but I don't know what type of an order you have passed.
Minus.
How can we say this is in compliance?
Doesn't show any application of mine, but just refer the matter back.
You challenge in the writ petition.
Yes, my lord. That was challenged, but then since the appeal was pending, my lord, therefore the direction was to, my lord, the appeal to be disposed of, my lord.
So 5 annual increments.
Yes, my lord. There was
with,
stop.
with was stopped.
Yes, my lord.
So against that you filed an appeal. Correct.
Yes, we filed.
That appeal was not disposed of, so you came to court. So
Yes.
court said dispose of the appeal.
Appeal.
Fine. Now you pass this order. That means have you set aside the order passed by the director?
Exactly.
Because see, the order says director is instructed to initiate fresh inquiry.
Fresh inquiry.
Would it mean that the earlier order has been set aside? How do we know that?
That clarification is not here, madam. In the order itself, madam.
There cannot be a remand without, my lord, setting aside. That had to be set aside.
It has to be set aside.
Madam, may take it up next week, madam.
1 minute. Okay. Heard Mr. M. Datta, learned counsel for the petitioner. MSS Chutia, learned counsel appealing for the which respondent?
Respondent, not believe. Four, my lord.
Respondent number 2, I think.
Subsequent impleaded, my lord. Should be, my lord, respondent 3, my lord. Mr. Naran Kaur, my lord.
Appealing for the respondent number 3 has furnished an order dated 28/11/2024 passed by the respondent number 3, wherein the Director of Elementary Education has been instructed to initiate fresh inquiry into the matter following all provisions of Assam Service within bracket Disciplinary and Appeal Rules 1964 and complete the process within a period of 1 month. However, on the perusal of the order dated 28/11/2024, it is not discernible as to whether the order dated 29/9/2012 passed by the Director of Elementary Education Assam, imposing a penalty of withholding of 5 annual increments has been interfered with. Stop. MSS Tutor prays for a week's time, prays for a week time to enable her to receive instructions. Stop praise allowed. List after 1 week.
Can a date be fixed, madam?
When do you want Chutia?
9 or 10, madam.
Okay, 10.
Madam,
48.
Please, your lordship. The council for the respondent informed us that he has some difficulty today. Can it be taken up in the next week, lordship?
You are appealing for?
Petitioner, lordship. The respondent has informed us that he has some difficulty, so he had to leave the court, lordship. And the council for the respondent, lordship.
Who's the counsel?
R. Muzumdar, lordship. So can it be taken up in the next week, lordship? If not inconvenient for lordship.
Okay, heard Mr.
H. Rahman.
H. Rahman, learned counsel for the petition. On request made on behalf of Mr. R. Majumdar, learned counsel appearing for respondent number 4. List the matter after 1 week.
Objection.
49.
In this matter, some queries arose, and accordingly, the secretary sought for the legal opinion from the standing senior counsel. My lord, senior counsel has submitted the legal opinion today, my lord. So my lord, some time may be granted.
My lord, the order dated 2/2/23 may kindly be seen, my lord. 2nd February 23. Here they have submitted Mr. Chisti, Planet Standing Council Second Division, who submits that the concerned earlier director had done his part by sending the proposal for retention and nomination of the posters as for communication dated 3/2/20 to the Commissioner Secretary Government of Assam. Now the next order may be seen, my lord, on 17/2/24. 17/2/24. 17th February, my lord.
There's no order of 17 February.
17th February, my lord.
No, what is your problem?
My lord.
My lord. My lord, on the next date fixed, Mr. U. Sharma, London Standing Council for the Second Edition Department shall place before this court the response of the Second Edition Department to the proposal put up by the director for ex post facto retention of the post held by the petitioner. Release this matter on 60/24. A copy of the order dated 18/4/22 as produced by Mr. Sharma, Learning Standing Council is kept on record and marked as Annex 10. That report may be kindly seen, my lord. The director has complied. The commissioner is not responding, my lord.
My lord, secretary has, due to my lord, some queries, he sought for legal opinion from the senior standing council, my lord. And accordingly, senior standing council today has submitted the legal opinion, my lord. So,
And see, my lord, that on 18/4/23, Mr. Sharma has submitted the, my lord, the report of the director. That report, Annex 10 may be seen, my lord. They have already, director has already, my lord, done his duty. Only director has complied the order. Why the commissioner is making this delay, my lord? Judgment was passed in long back.
Yeah.
this is the legal opinion, my lord, today submitted to the secretary, my lord. So,
I don't want to see
yeah.
your legal opinion.
No,
I want to, I
sometime
want to
maybe-
see the order of the secretary.
some time may be granted, my lord, at least 3 weeks, so that it can be.
I'll give you 2 weeks time. I'll fix a date. Hurt Mr. R.C. Cycle and the counsel for the petition. Mr. U. Sharma, Leonard counsel appealing for the secretary.
Yes, ma'am.
Who's the secretary? Respond number 2.
My lord, Narayan Kaur. Narayan Kaur, my lord. He is implemented already.
For the respond number 2 submits that the respondent number 2 had sought for some legal opinion from the Senior Standing Council Elementary Education Department, which has been sent today, I 29/11/2024. Stop. He accordingly prays for 2 weeks' time to enable him to receive updated instructions. Stop. List on 16th December.
My lord.
That day you come with instructions, Sharma.
Obliged.
50.
May it please, your lordship. The matter relates to, my lord, the payment of arrear salary, my lord. It was filed for current arrear salary. Now, current salary is being paid, my lord. Arrear salary is concerned, my lord, they are not paid.
Your salary is not paid. Current is paid.
Now, my lord, they are taking time, my lord, every time, my lord, to produce instructions, this your lordship, my lord. Last order
1 minute. Why is it coming for orders?
to take instruction, my lord. They, to take instruction why that is salary has not been released.
Headmaster.
25/9/2024, 17/9/2024, 9/8/2024, my lord. Similar orders are being passed by this honorable court, my lord, to take instruction. My lord, to what extent that is that has been progressed, my lord. They have submitted, my lord, filed an affidavit, my lord, saying that approval is awaited. But no instruction, my lord, has yet been produced.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, my lord,
Secretary has some queries and accordingly it is sent to the director for their response. Accordingly, they have responded and this is the response. But regarding the arrear salary in this inspection, it is not here, my lord.
That's right.
So some queries was raised as regards the appointment of the person concerned must be against a sanction post.
We are not into that. We are asking you instructions on the area salary.
Regarding that part, it is not coming, my lord.
Affidavit file, my lord, the approval is awaited for using that.
Oh,
Sometime may be granted, my lord.
1 week.
2 weeks, my lord. 10 days at least.
But Mr. Learned Counsel for the petition.
My lord,
On
one
the-
thing I may
yeah,
subscribe.
on the
A letter
first-
was issued, my lord, 2010.
That
It
is
was
the,
erected.
that I've seen here. There are 2 instructions. Mr. U. Shamal and the Standing Council Secondary Education prays for 2 weeks time to enable him to receive instructions with regard to the latest status in respect of the error salary of the petitioner, which is now pending before the Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education. Stop. List the matter on 18th December.
All right.
51. My lord, they filed the affidavit also, my lord. The order is at page 25.
Filed the affidavit.
Order is at page 25. Limited, my lord, paragraph 3 only, where
You are appearing, Shama?
Yes, my lord, I am happy.
only we are concerned, my lord, this honorable court while disposing the earlier writ petition, my lord.
Where's the order?
Page 26, paragraph 3, my lord.
Yes.
As regards the observation, my lord, that the petitioner is respondent, number 4 is getting the intermediate scale of pay. That is to be, my lord, he is actually getting the graduate scale of pay from 1/4/2016. That has to be only modified. That they have also admitted in their affidavit. Because whether he gets the in charge headmaster or not, this is not the issue, my lord. If this observation remains, my lord, in future, my lord, for the purpose of promotion, etc., he may be affected.
How about para 3, page 27?
That was not actually, my lord, produced. I have annexed in, my lord, page 29, annexer 6. This is this fixation at the graduate scale of pay with effect from 1/4/2016. That document was not placed before your lordship, my lord.
You are appearing for the?
I'm respondent number 4 now that it review petitioner, my lord. In the affidavit, my lord, at page 76, they have filed, my lord.
You were represented by counsel, isn't it?
Yes, but that was not placed, my lord.
How? Why?
That is might be due to miscommunication among the review petitioner and the counsel.
How about the para 3? The veterans on record reveal that the response number 4 is enjoying only intermediate scale of pay.
Yes, that is, my lord, actually to be reviewed because, my lord, this was not correct because the graduate scale of pay has been granted to him on effect from 1/4/2016, and that this is admitted by this respondent, my lord, at page 76 of the affidavit, my lord. That is why, my lord, this observation has to be, my lord, modified.
Yes.
Regarding
in this matter,
holding of the charge.
No, 1 minute. Who is the petitioner's counsel? Notice has gone or?
Yes, yes, yes. Notice is gone. They have, it is 3 times notice is gone. The service is complete. And the
1 minute.
because petitioner is retired by this time, that's why my lord, he is not interested to appear. my lord.
Nobody has appeared.
Nobody, he has no interest, my lord. He is retiring. He has already retired.
When did he retire?
It is recorded, my lord. No.
Purkasta, I think let us give the petitioner one more chance. One more chance. Otherwise, again, there'll be some difficulties. Maybe what you're saying is correct. Where's that graduate scale?
Page 76, my lord. And in the page
No, no.
29,
Page-
I have given, my lord.
Page 29.
Yeah.
How do we know that this is a graduate scale?
Because my lord, this is the
Okay, grade pay.
Grade pay.
8,700.
yes. And they have also admitted. They have also admitted. And in the affidavit, they have stated that the retired, the petitioner retired, that they have also stated. my lord. And now the third party is holding the charge with regard to that. I have nothing to say, my lord. I'm only concerned with the modification of the observation, my lord.
Well, in our affidavit, para 9, as per statement of the Inspector of Schools, Borpeta submitted on 24th to 2023, Sri Jogan Bowman has been drawing enhanced grade pay of rupees 8,700 with effect from 1/4/2016 and a special allowances at the rate of rupees 300 per month as per finance PRO department's notification stated above, but without any order of authority of the secondary education department.
Then can we dispose of?
No, my lord, one more chance can be given to the petitioner. She may come on next date. So, on
See,
next.
because
4-5 days start.
the respond number 4 in the writ petition was represented by a counsel.
Yes.
However, he did not assist his court while passing this order. This is the problem. The grade pay notification, which is annexed at page 29, that was not produced before this court. That's how this error crept in. Okay, we give one chance, 1 week, 2 weeks, and then I will finish it off.
Before vacation, date may be.
Heard Mr. A. Purkastel and the counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Mr. U. Sharma and the standing counsel, Secondary Education Department. None appears for the opposite party number
4.
4, my lord.
4 oblique writ petitioner. As a last chance, list the matter on December 17th, 2024. If the opposite party number 4 oblique writ petition is not represented by the next date fix, this this petition shall be proceeded ex parte against the opposite party number 4.
52.
It is a lordship. In this case, I have filed my wakalatnama on 12/11. So what I found from the office note, I need to take fresh steps in this case upon the respondent. I may be allowed.
You're freshly
Yes, I have.
engaged.
Yes.
Oh, no steps.
25/11, 24 office note reveals that nothing has returned back after steps has been taken by the earlier council.
1 minute. Who's the sole respondent?
Is Director of Secondary Education.
Who's the director of secondary education? Huh?
Mamta Hoja.
Mamta Hoja? Yeah. Okay, then it's all, no problem. MS
S. Dasgupta.
S. Dasgupta, Learned Counsel, submits that she has been recently engaged to represent the petitioner in the present contempt case. Stop. She further submits that on perusal of the records, the notice on the sole respondent is yet to be served. Stop. She accordingly prays for taking fresh steps for service of notice on the sole respondent by registered post AD Stop.
Within the week.
Prayers allowed. Let such steps be taken within the period of 1 week from today. List after 4 weeks.
53.
Please, your lordship. My lord, this is a contempt case. Your lordship will find, my lord, for non-compliance of the order dated 29/9/2004. Your lordship will find, my lord, at page 16. Directing, my lord, the director of, my lord.
It has been disposed of.
My lord.
It has been disposed of. Have you got the order?
Yes, lordship. The copy has been furnished to her. Serial number
Speaking order.
Serial number 4 is the petition, lordship.
2/11/2024.
I did not get a, my lord, copy of that.
1 minute.
Copy go.
Page 20 was the direction. Your
Page
20 was the direction at para 12. Para 12 of page 20.
You've given him a copy?
Yes, lordship. It has been, lordship, at serial number 4, lordship. It is the petition.
No.
But yes, lordship, I'll provide one copy to the
Give
petitioner's
him a
counsel.
copy.
Yes, lordship. Yes.
We'll close the contempt. Yes, you can find.
If you require, my lord, we will.
Lordship, I am
we have
furnishing
to
the
file
copy right now.
Okay.
Read petition, your lord.
Heard, Mr.
And
My
And
senior. My name is also there, vacation.
Okay, heard Mr. N. Dhar,
But I
Learned
am
Counsel for the petition.
I am led by
Mr. D. Upamanya, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education, has furnished a speaking order dated 2/11/2024, issued by the Director of Higher Education, Assam, wherein it is stated
It is speaking order. It is speaking order.
that as the petitioner did not have net/slet at the time of interview, she could not pass the interview, and accordingly, the petition of the petitioner has been rejected. Stop. On perusal of the speaking order dated 2/11/2024, this court is of the considered opinion that substantial compliance has been made by the respondent. Stop. Accordingly, contempt petition is closed. The speaking order dated 2/11/2024 is
Liberty may be given us to file.
that you don't need liberty. You can file your writ petition challenging the speaking order.
Lordship, I have furnished in the copy.
Yeah.
54.
Highly obliged.
Obliged.
My lord, as per official, my lord, dated 25/11, my lord. Notice is served, my lord. I have already filed an affidavit, my lord, regarding the justice. Justice, sorry. This one now, sir, 6/7, my lord. The principal, my lord. Now, all are represented.
Is this the principal?
No.
Or the office assistant?
That is the principal, my lord.
Huh?
My office assistant, my lord, had endorsed the, my lord.
It is the principal who has to receive notice. It's a dusty service. You just can't go around giving it to all anybody and then come
No,
back.
school, my lord, school office, my lord, I have.
A school. But the direction is dusty service to the respondent. You have to give it to the principal. And he or she should sign it and bring it back. That's all. I can't accept this.
Next week.
Then I'll verify, my lord.
No.
I have to verify, my lord. I have to take instruction.
I'll give you the opportunity to take first steps by dusty service. Third, Mr. A. Khanekar, learned counsel for the petition. Peruse the additional affidavit filed by the petitioner showing service of notice on the respondent number
7.
7 by dusty service. Stop. On a perusal of the notice, comma, it is seen that one office assistant has accepted the notice and not by the principal, oblique respondent number 7, not by the principal, comma, Sartipari HS School, oblique respondent number 7. Accordingly, the notice on the respondent number 7 is not accepted by this court. Stop. Para. The petitioner is directed to take first steps for service of notice on the respondent number 7 by dusty service through the registry of this court within a period of 1 week. Stop. List. Thereafter, petitioner shall file an affidavit to that effect. List after 3 weeks.
Deeply.
55.
It be pleases you, lordship.
May I
Here,
please
your
respond?
lordship.
In this case, my lord, the private respondent has appeared and they have filed their affidavit in opposition and I have filed the reply, my lord.
1 minute.
But
Then
our,
it should come in the admission column.
Yes, sir.
our affidavit has not been filed. So we need some time, your lordship, to file our affidavit in opposition.
No,
Issue is that, my lord, I am the senior.
no. Who appears for the private respondent? When did you file your affidavit?
They took.
And when did you file your reply?
Immediately after 2 days, ma'am.
Both are not on record.
Your lordship will observe to bring on record, ma'am.
Mr. R. Gohan, learned counsel, enters appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4 and submits that he has filed affidavit in opposition on 7/11/2024. Stop.
And I have filed on the 14th.
Burkastra, learned counsel for the B.
I have filed on 14th/11.
Mr. B. Burkastra, learned counsel for the petitioner, submits that the petitioner has also filed reply to the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4.
No,
Stop. Register to verify and place the affidavit filed by the respondent number 4 as well as the reply filed by the petitioner on record, comma, if found in order. Stop. MS P. Das, London Standing Council, Secondary Education, praise for
1, 2, 3 appearing for 1, 2, 3, praise to 2 weeks time, your lordship, to file our affidavit.
praise for 2 weeks time to file counter affidavit. Praise allowed. List after 2 weeks in the admission column.
Before vacation, my lord.
Now let it come after 2 weeks.
57 of supplementary list orders.
The Kaushik.
May I please, your lordship? Lordship, in this case, affidavit has been filed, it's a contempt application, my lord. Affidavit has been filed by the respondent, my lord. But in the affidavit, there is no compliance has been seen, my lord. Then they have taken the plea, whatever pleas has been taken in the writ petition, my lord. They have objected. My lord, kindly peruse page 24 of the, my lord, affidavit filed by the respondent, my lord. Here, my lord, PhD has been cancelled, my lord. Petitioner PhD has been cancelled by the Assam University Registered Respondent, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, we have approached this honorable court, my lord. This honorable court on a view that we may be given a chance, my lord.
Where is that order passed by this court?
My lord, starts from page 12, my lord. Relevant para, page 14, para 9, my lord. His PhD has been cancelled by the Assam University, my lord. Enrollment is in the year 2018, my lord.
Yes.
Your Lordship, kindly peruse para point 4.3, page 23. Your Lordship, the relevant para is page 24.
1 minute. Have you advertised?
No, Your Lordship, by the end of this year, we'll advertise. There is no vacancy right now. That's
For
why
the
PhD, for the PhD, there is no vacancy. That's why we have not advertised.
Well, even though if they allowed, my lord, his age is already over, my lord. Till 2018.
No, that we have said that to condone the age also. If
Yeah,
that,
they
that
followed.
part is there.
Even
But then here, see here, one
Malak.
thing is that
Malak.
they also have to go according to the UGC guidelines.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, as per the UGC guidelines, advertisement has to be made.
Yes, sir. There is also Defu campus they can transfer if possible, my lord.
That's why,
my lord.
even if it is to be the Defu campus, advertisement has to be made.
My lord.
Unless an advertisement is made
My lord.
as per the UGC guidelines.
My lord.
If they do something which is against UGC guidelines, your PhD decree will not be.
That is true, my lord. My lord, if
So let us do one thing.
my lord.
Let us list this matter next year. What they are saying is by the end of this year,
By
they're
the
going
end
to
of
make
this year.
advertisement.
Yes.
And if you make your application,
My lord.
it will be considered.
Consider.
My lord.
Let us see what happens.
That can be done, my lord. But the only thing is they must, my lord, they consider my age, my lord. That is recorded in the my lord order. Otherwise, I'm
not saying anything. Already order is there.
My lord.
This is a contempt jurisdiction.
My lord.
Court will have to consider only whether it is contempt or not.
My lord. Since there is an order of my lord, this honorable court, my lord, this regarding the age part also it is mentioned in the order.
Mr. S. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petitioner. Stop. This contempt proceeding has been initiated. This contempt case has been filed, alleging willful disobedience of the order dated 12/12/2023, passed by this court in WBC number 5776/2023. Stop. Para. How many respondents are here?
Well, only one.
The sole respondent has filed an affidavit. And at para 4.3, it is stated that the university has received the application of the petitioner dated 12/12/2023, along with a copy of the order passed by this court. Stop. It is also stated that the university was of the impression that fresh application for pursuing PhD in the Department of History, Assam University Dipu campus has to be duly considered by the university. Stop. As no advertisement for admission in the PhD program has been made after the order passed by this court, the question of submitting fresh application in PhD course at Assam University, Dipu campus does not arise, and the same could not be considered inasmuch as admission in the PhD program is on availability of seats as per the UGC guidelines. Stop. It is further stated that as soon as the university advertises for PhD admission, which is likely to be by the end of this year, the petitioner may apply and his application shall be duly considered without any prejudice as per the standard norms of the university. Stop. Para. Taking note of the statement made in para 4.3 of the affidavit filed by the sole respondent, released the matter on 11th,
On 10, 10,
on 9th of January.
One humble prayer, my lord. In the meanwhile, my lord, the university, if possible, they can transfer me from the to the Dipu campus.
I'm not saying anything. This is a contempt jurisdiction. I can't go beyond what is there in the order.
Yes, my lord. The representation we have said, my lord.
Not that there's. So we'll see what happens if advertisement is done or not.
Because of his age, my lord, therefore fresh admission may be difficulty, my lord.
That order is already there.
Yes,
in your to control your age.
Yes, my lord, it is there. And in the order also, they said in the Dipu campus also they can accommodate, my lord, if my lord respondent wants. By transfer also. But
they cannot do it, no, until an advertisement is made as with the UGC regulations.
Yes, my lord, by transfer there is some provision, I guess, my lord. They can transfer.
That is for them to.
Yeah, my lord, that is their discretion, my lord. If meanwhile they can.
Can you get the original form, the application transferred to Dipu?
That I have to take instruction.
So you take instructions on that. On the next day, you come with the.
Yeah, but because I am at end of the, my lord, my course, my lord, I almost completed, my lord. I have my.
Much obliged.
58.
My lord, in this writ petition, one IA is pending before your lordship. And since filing of the IA, this honorable court, after considering the arguments of the parties at some length, directed the respondents to respondent number 1 and 2 to file affidavit in opposition. But despite passing over of 3 dates, no affidavit has been filed till date. And on the other hand, service upon the respondent number governing colleges, respondent number 4 to 8 is still awaited.
Service not complete, lords.
Whatever you are supposed to file your affidavit, isn't it? 1 and 2.
Also, one thing that in this case, lordship, sometime we'll file affidavit. But one division bench judgment already decide the issue, lordship. I cannot collect.
That we do not know, matter.
But I am not sure that the in charge principal, right?
Yeah.
Yes, definite division bench judgment is there, lordship. Cleans the.
Let them file.
We'll file affidavit and we'll place the judgment.
And
I could not collect this.
With regard to the service upon respondent, my lord, if your lordship would give liberty to us to file an affidavit in addition by placing on record the notices received by the concerned principals in their respective colleges, which was addressed to the governing body of the colleges. The notice which we have taken is sent to the governing body of colleges, which has been directly received by the concerned principal of respective colleges. And those are the present petitioners herein before your lordship. So, if the said notices are received, a copy of the same may be
placed on record by filing an additional affidavit with, for to comply the service report upon 4/2/20.
1 minute.
Then matter will not be longer more. UGC also taken fresh step.
All of this matter, already coordinate bench has decided the issue.
No, this is today is on IA. You first reply on IA. Because during pendency of this petition, they have circulated advertisement for fill up of vacancies of principal.
So you want to take first steps?
Not fresh steps, but I would like to file an additional affidavit with regard to service upon the respondent number 4/2/20. Those are governing body of respective colleges, wherein we are working as in charge principal.
No, how do you know that notice has gone?
Because as per instruction, all my petitioners have said that they have received this notice, but that notices has not been due to some technical reasons. The postal lists may not be raised to the registry. These are the not new practice. These are very old practice. So for that reason, not to avoid further delay in this matter, I would like to file an additional affidavit by enclosing the notices sent by the registry, which was issued by my petitioners as an in charge principal on behalf of governing body of the colleges. That will much more help this honorable court to conclude this matter as early as possible.
Okay, heard, Mr.
A. Paul.
Learned counsel for the petition. No, select this. Mr. A. Paul, learned counsel for the applicant oblique petitioners. Praised for filing an additional affidavit showing service of notice on the respondents 3/20.
4/20.
How about 3?
3 is UGC, my lord.
Has it gone? Notice has gone.
Yes, but they are not appearing.
Then
UGC, my lord.
If required, I can take further steps upon UGC and other I can file affidavit.
On the respondents 4/20. Praise allowed. Learned counsel for the petitioner is also directed to furnish a copy of this writ petition to the Learned Standing Council UGC within 2 days from today. Stop. Mr. S. Das, Learned Standing Council for the respondents 1 and 2 is allowed. How much time?
Ballot for affidavit.
Oh.
Malad, 2 weeks, Malad, 2 weeks. Otherwise, Malad, this case is covered.
That will be argued later on
2
merit.
weeks time to file affidavit.
I can argue on that point also. Malad.
Stop. List after 2 weeks.
Lordship may kindly fix a date in the first week of January for setting all these access.
First week of January. List on 8th January. Oh no, 7th January.
7th.
Obliged.
Oh, how many orders do you have to type?
Can it be, my lord, 5th of January?
8.
8? Yes.
Patient to give.